se papa pa ya de radio ase adom ne ehumọ bronti ene yeti ase enne so kakra radio de yenhye afena se no ene ye match bosome de to so aduonu enum ye dana se bebre nkwa hodene a wode amaye na wotwe mu mpo ye hye ase enye nyina na ne yeti ase ti se wo mu a na aseda na ade be ma awurade ye na dom keke nti ene yeti ase no so ne ye gina mu akwa aba ede wa Badwam dwumadi free juada de besi fiada ahomache no num empemu no se Badwam aba be no na no num aba pa osima aduanan num ho kro no na fe yenhwe yaba from midin ede afia amankwa tamaklo mamechra diamond and so ewa hase we be kofi ampedu na director yen Priscilla anamanso ekandache hene Dominic si yeboa camera so uhu yima ewa ha na Thomas say designers and so PR kwache one waha ena new question waha ena Paul makeup on so ye Lizzie ene Eugenia ye da drivers ne MCL ye do bia se wa waje branso hwe ye da se papa mama mu akwaba
ye nua
na bibia bokode
erade dom Sofia
nyankopon adom ye ho ye fepa obu no fata nyame me da se
nyame no na waka because obi nso obulu nso ade anche no
no
ena wahu de ode beye tie de nyame ase e adom ne bia
sa de radio ase papa na efiada iti bibia tumisi
enti ye won hyehyeye ye kwa ye kogye ye ni ye tu kwan ekwa so no de etirenti ye nya ho asem no ekanda ayafa ahweye nante na de bia meka sei de osi ono no wo ehye papa no a ode asi kwan so a wonto ne bo no ne oye na ade kura waje mu de ama wo de ono ye na ade kura na otimi ye ohun se hye ye fe edwane no ono kura waje mu fi no ho a de asi nsuo so ade ama wo nti wo be ka won sa aya atobo ase ne tobo ase ne nso edo be kwa kodo aya na de ya ne se bia na wo atobo ase no obi fi baby no de nesan aba be san enti emfa wasan ko san obi wan kasa nso ya ahweye ma ho efi se nipa bi down wan kasa nso nipa bi down enti ye kwa ye be na na ko efi ade de akwanti osu be koso mpacha ya no ya ahweye why
ye no ne ade wo mbebre parties no ne ade wo mbebre ti no enti obi anhwe ne hu ye na ba kwa meka ye school project say Wednesday no ana Tuesday ho baby me hu say radio obi se ode ne de beba ode ne number to ho yesremu ode o ya ode oba multimedia ha say kwa na wo kase bia Badwam crashing chumru project no a yensa be ka bibia nyame hyiamu mo pese mo ye ne mo amodi kan de aba no yankopon eno mo enka mo ho ne so kase beba na fe agudie mu nsam aba na fisam na fe pensem aba enti free sabre ko sise no nkono ebebo no eni die kwan so de bia wo ye maye no na wakoso atena ho nso de amaye na fe dwumadie ahodo toto so nyina pramtobremu ekoho nyina no na fe wonso nsatumi akebe ne minua ba papa bi ai mechiba menu ne birthday di Celestina o sei nyankopon show na menyo kese no nyo kese pa ene sini ba ko fe ai but ufena abnafo wa obi abeti ti abna bia obi anyame show
happy birthday to you
nyame show papa pa obi ene wudu wa woda bia nyame show na onye mo kese match for mu okroma nkasa ai mampani 2 days later to end the United mampani so birthday 29th ti ono ne yire no mo the same month sa na ye efe ti 29th enso ye Ghana mampani adodanko akufo ado nenne agudi oho so ani tua duwa wo hwa
ekosa oh the ebeko because the fact say waba okromu no ono nso ne papa ne ma meja ne kwan enti no eye modern bo e na afa so the fact say eye modern bo no na san ya agudi no eye ne bresem enti no
ye de kwakra o ye Ghana ni kasa ne eye adonso enti ne kwakra Ghana ni
oh me ye Ghana ni de me tai Nigeria chida na mo no so the fact say me ye Ghana ni so nche say da ya na so ye so blasters this time enya san so ni bio
o hwa ope be say o hwa enkwasai
oh me de me ni sa prediction honhom ni de bi ni mu at the end of the day no Ghana di nkonim because ye Ghana ni ene eye baako against Shio Ghana di nkunim 7 against 1 Ghana di nkunim me de prediction me de brese Ghana di nkunim
na we wo bet ne de onka ho
de me
ngro bet da
because if you don't me ngro ko bet but emre bi edu ama esese Ghana for a mo bobo ma Ghana for no ehu say this time no ebra na ehon sososo ne ye fa no say agudie na twam say ye business ye ka say obi di ni dwetira hye
obi di na kuma nyina ko
enti no enye na anu asem no bi na sa de bi na ye home yete amafo konkrofo home kwose omde bia but ye be stress anye home ba bia so tufu asase so die
yesrem
mama mani ngase
mu ye ni mu ase because when the say ye ni say obi apeso okowo kapo and ye mienu so obi apeso okọ nyame kuro ya nso ne yeso
kuro ya nso obi abone pai but nyame ya Mr. Ghana Blasters no se pa salata yawo beba Ghana no be seye na wan say bebia so tufu asase so de adabraka monyere mo ho ene tufu wo so na nanom na atoa wo no nti ene wo so eja da payo sempayo but at the end of the day no Ghana ninkonim because me Ghana
sa na ayi ora Kojo Badwam digital center chief executive officer echiana no pay
ojo so
so no football no de echire wo team bi kura wasante achemagogo
okay
nti me sure say nurse o town kwan de obekọ
ho
nti Kojoba
gogonso ne
Kumasi de so say kwan wa
ayese fichire no
nti obetimi akọ ti honorable Kojoba Badwam no pay echia o papa ne obi a waje brehwe nti yesra mo Blasters mamu emu ye mu ase monyere mo ho wate munya ye fie no monyere mo ho na nkrofo akoma de echire do me de me yi makoma afiri mu me de amusha na meetie because ya no omote nipa kuma
di echire se na Ghana honhom na wo mo so ni echire na
me meta wo machi but say ase bako nyeso mbekum
enyeso mbeto kuma
sa maybe eni manya BP
oka asante achim no me wo me maami fo bi ho mo nyina de mata enti mama mata fo mpamcha no pay me mamu nyina achi
sa
e wo sa empotem ho enti kase bomra so but ene efiada ya hweye de wudi de wonom ene de woko ni nyina ya hweye na nyamemwa kase bomra so yeda say so wa hweye video me kai wo say abrebi a wo hwehwe sa video yi wo YouTube no wo hu adoma na eda so no aye miaso wo miaso wi a chese abrebi a wo benya kwanya na video bi a ye de beto ha no watumi ahwe ne watro say wo so no so aye mia se ne be ya wo nua bi so benya bi ahwe abrebi a wo ye ne sa video bi a ye de beto ha no wo benya bi ahwe me da say Obenim bosome enefo no eduonu no mu ofiempemie no ene eduonu mie no 25th March 2022 no nsi edikan ewo enede ye fiadan mu no abo enti Badwam kase enso emra so de obete ayedi makotene bi ene se kokobo ena akọ ede amase kwan ebinum nam so na wode tomatoes fi ebinum ama so ba oman mu no emwa enti abanhwe na omanani na ho we no ho afen so efutu akoma maburu se wonyere wo ho enye won famu de bi ebetumi aboa ama wa abrabo akọ enkan kakra eka we ho mekenkan asomo sima kakra ntam se Badwam kase medin de ma mechira Diamond memoache afei mechase Ejuma Kobi a ofra won Cosmos Innovation Center and Mastercard Foundation ena womo abodawro se womo de hihede bi egu akwanso a saa hihede no ebeboa emebu no opepe aduasa 30 million young na saafo no emu ohamu nchemu aduoso 70% no won pese ebeye ema womo eye emebu no na etumi aboa womo ma womo nyanimde efa enwuma a wankasankasa betumi aye ede abo won ho bra
ye djuma petitru pa oil and gas nanso so se ye bibi etimi boa oman no ede ne betimi aya aboa oman no ene adwundwundwundwo ho ane hu se agriculture ye ba bia ye de ani to ho a ye betimi aye bia aboa oman no ena afi nso yenkoda mo wiewie school enya adwuma nye omninam na obia ya so pa adwuma onya adwuma se universities across country universities nko adunsia ena wose ye no mu nyina eye adwuma se de be yankona bebre be den ye boboa omo matimi anya buta ye bi esi ye ne so se be ba na ya ba be entrepreneurs which is said no abefre na adwuma ase nti idea ba bi aduro no enije na aba se ye timi aduru ye start in 2016 and ye start ye ne ensusu se ibeduru ha se
Womo a ekra tomatoes anase entosi edeba omayimu a womo nso omadwuma a womo ye na womo ko no edin eda so ene Ghana National Association of Tomato Traders and Transport Association na wo twa ne tia se JNTT efo ena eton krade ama aban se aban kroya na ase bode watutum senso ntosi efi ama no de bo omayimu no egu womo dwa enti ama womo ankasa edua ntosi omayimu na womo ton omayimu no nso womo de no kwa na ekofom enti wosre abanye bibi fa ho
monitoring no upper east but you starting with upper east region no almost divert almost unapproved route no almost ba be pie bono east region mu nti yaba minister ho se onye yemoa na on support ye team no pese ye ba bono east region mu na ye monitor ye trade no send ye be ya ebebo adwadifo ma ebeboa Ghana akuafo because this last year later part of last year November December na Ghana wo tomatoes pa ye monitoring no
womo sesa enwura ewo kaswa ofako na womo chese aposifo a womo ewo eye Central East Regional Police Command no womboafu na senti asafo boafu aposifo ne se aposifo nka omo misa womo kra se eye de ba asem na nka omo nso wonchiremu bi a womo famba de omo hu ya no se aposifo akwakotwagya to baabi a ya womo tete womo osika nyina adeda ho a se bola kakra omo asesa nkrofo bola ahodo nkra bola ehu sika omo anya nyina asekwa
jurbe police for no mo ba se bechi ombechichi yakrofo yesu ye nim no ma bibi nti omo gina so ma yes because yesu ye ni omo ni asem bia adum se bola nti na ye wa ha ye nton hwe ye nkowia obi a de ye nya promfo
ya dress ya unso e be ye adwuma ba so le ye gina ye bon kana no na police for ni unso o ma ba any splinter at 4 omo ba ye ni ma de kon omo ba mbe wa ye wuya no masisi omo di echi omo si shoot no omo shoot ebi mu be wanfo bebe ni mu se nso nu e kwanda o beble afọ nso nu ye ni so obi ewu nso nu mu ye ni so obi ye ni o ma ye togo ani wi o machine na ejapade o machine bibia ye nso ye hustlers ye ni bibia ye so bola ni e brebe kaka na ye di se ebi sani ye ma me ye ni ebi se eska bola ni ska na kaka na ye nso ye sen ofa eduma na ani o se ena na ye wa rubber ni dade no copes no yes sawa nso do won ba wa ne de modern robin no akoso wa police for na wa be rob ya nti mu ka bibi champion for omo so omo ye de omo fa enu anu mo ble
enti sasemi si ye no ena wonipa wono na woda samrante ye ya omsesa ball ya no na ne din ni Asamoah Kranche eton krade ama IGP say IGP we de wa posifo na be ye sade na emomo no se wa mem na wanye bibia afa ho de a enne empotem honom de kro no ebekoso Yemfi enoso na yenko ensem foforo eso na enra ena omayisa na hene kenoforiata ekom ede etu dwanse se de aban no aye se de Ghana fo keka se oman no mu ayehye no enti ensem bia oka no dodo no emu ba akopa oka ye ne se famgo petrol no titiru kra no se wo kwa akota liter no se bia akakakra na edu 11 Ghana cedis a aban no ateso Ghana empeso no dunum enu 10 Ghana pesos ede amount.
From January to date, the average export price of diesel and petrol have increased by 57% and 45% respectively. Unlike in other countries where the hike in crude oil prices and exchange rate volatility are leading to shortages in supply of petroleum products, government is implementing measures to guarantee constant supply of petroleum products. To mitigate the impact of the rising price of petroleum products at the pump for the next 3 months, government has decided to reduce margins in petroleum price build-up by a total of 15 pesos per liter with effect from 1st April.
Na Ebra owura kenoforiata kansa nsem wie no ka se o nye se bia temamufo nko e na aban eye san hyehyɛ we di ama won se ebeboa oman no kanko ne tituru economy ne ho nsem na mom wɔn nso a wɔn wo aban mu se bia wo ye mrahye bedwani o wo ye soafo na se aban no e ma ofam wo na se fuo no eno nso wateso ohamu nchemu aduonum 50%.
Discretionary spending is to be further cut by additional 10%. The Ministry of Finance is currently meeting with MDAs to review their spending plans for the rest of the 3 quarters to achieve the discretionary expenditure cuts. 2, these times call for very efficient use of energy resources. In line with this, there will be a 50% cut in fuel coupon allocations for all political appointees and heads of government institutions, including SOEs, effective 1st February 2022. Government approved the ministers and the heads of SOEs to contribute to cut 30% of their salaries from April to December 2022 to the consolidated fund.
Enti enra ebra kenoforiata eye nsenchofo nhyiamu wie no na Adom kuma ewo mrase bedwafie a wo monso ye ndc fo no kyese o na de ye hwe anim se aban be ya ma omafo ho a yira won man mu no won ho ha won no se we na be kan ye we de kyese emwa na wo mo kase o kenoforiata na nkasa na wo ho no economy ne ho nsem na age ne nsem enti won pe ba bi ntinansa na aban no ankasa enye hyehyɛ foforo na nura de obekan kan che Ghana fo de so edi ahohan pa na eba de amfa.
After listening to the Minister for Finance and his responses and his proposals, whilst he is talking about expenditure cut, he also insisted that they are going to spend on growth areas and social spending. That can only be a contradiction. Our immediate response to the Honorable Minister of Finance is to state emphatically and unequivocally that he's lost touch with reality. He is not in tune with the state of the Ghanaian economy. Our economy today is one that reflects nothing less than a cost of living crisis and a cost of doing business crisis. After listening to the Minister for Finance,
Enra wo mrashebedwafie so owura jache kwesi na ono ye asen of mrashebedwani ekopie mu wo ho said the mrashebedwafo kwa setena wo dwumedie na ya wo ye no no na ebra wo pie ho no pepepe ena ono ane nua no mrashebedwafo se krache wa pie ha eti emadwumedie na omudie no kra no wo monsem nyina no le so ena ekogina sei ena koye.
I thought the moment he raised the issue, a ruling was going to come that no, this is not something that will be entertained for now, as Mr. Speaker have done. But unfortunately, the statement that followed from my colleague Honorable Atachia is making me believe that I may be wrong and I may be alleged that he and my colleague planned to do what they did. And that was why he was insisting that it should be heard. And I'm assuring him, because of what you've done, you have broken trust. You have broken trust. The next time you want to do anything, I can assure you will insist on adhering to the rules to the fullest.
And Ned Fiada no pay Bejum Cassia making kind of someone way so and Amidina a day as si Bejum Jumedie no Gusua Bawaquam Cosise non cono ebebono sochi Adom TV Becoswa Somo Cosi Adichie Bio to say Sabri enti Coswa Nashe Adom TV if he say ye wado ye mede de ma metra diamond me watching and you mre yensia ewo Adom Cassia so.
I was here with the Reverend Pamela Aida. Me gidi say ye jumedeni na we need ye videos ye talk shows need to make deni na de here me pa ne say na be ya was sabaka ye jumedeni no 24/7 wo bell no wo de punch so sa bell no punch so punch so biu na sa punch so biu o punch so 24/7 jumedeni na e hia sia kikro na won saka and follow us and share the page. For commenting also too. No nyamisha.
Kwaba kese bi onsa de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwo ndwuma die so dia wo kensi won sempan sa kana no penso ja medinde Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya enensu biu na mede nkoma wodo ensa kan wo Ghana agudie 18 jao shene so mam se Jeffas Health Limited the Jeffas Edu tashe no ana etech Jeffas Edu emema nom ema so no bomodern down set mi ke bebetia boa emo pomodon sem etia kuyi se Felix candidates why fita na so di pona chwa on san ka Jeffas na no question no password de behwe wolle Jeffas can save amafo no ma no enyasem ketu akra one expert I've always told you that betting is better than saka wa bet there and intasema we chere se utwa ne befu a ana wodi ne befu utwa ne kuma bia wodi ne kuma sa no manum ene ntime sra bomodern da sa busua de japade bi sa sika wo kwaja obetua koton fari nyina kogu so na twa ne befu na di ne befu na mum wes na hye ne esia kwa eni obia no asemachi emfen twa bet sika editua light bill editua danka editua bills akese no ye emfen twa bet nyesa bet diwa utiri betia bom wadwene betia san hye bet with money that you can afford to lose we any suggestion kokwa medi eja na mo pe bet dia eno one 1xbet madama no mo na teach abo me na no penso dia we can see on sempan saka no 8 meja ene dan this is the day that the Lord has made e hwese na nema besi akọ between the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana ene womo Super Green Eagles counterpart womo fi Nigeria no ene na Kings ne betian sa to fam no so empel mu 7:30 say gan na Kings ne ba so baba era sports stadium e Kumase na me ne ka say de enura teams na erapo up mu ahosesi no no penso no empemfo amhwa agoma no so ehwese bia ombetian sa di omdwuma na mo hya no so ma say okwa Asempa 94.7 FM so a na the ultimate sports morning show Asempa sports team ni na akopiem Kumase baba era sports stadium ene ye de live show no efi ho eba na afeso nyame adom ene yesebesa ade eye pre-match analysis no so efi Kumase baba era sports stadium ade agyaw na afi ho sena nema esi ekọ ewo hyehyawodo a eno so 18 PM ni tenei o hwesena nema city dia Black Stars of Ghana versus the Super Green Eagles of Nigeria na omodi akese no ebetua sa boss we eye one of the world's most expensive playoff and also ebetua sa todwa we akese ba kwa se Ghana yetimi edimu krima na ese qualify ede ni etua sa chem World Cup na kesa ase e kata nesa na so hwese na Mexico so asese de ejenya World Cup na no intene qualify de na ese nan bako etimi akuginam nyame adoma 4 days time no ye besa de return leg encounter tia kopem so Nigeria for ebe host Ghana ewo Moshid Abiola Sports Stadium and also another crucial encounter bakwa and also that Ghana nim emu enedie no ye yimfamfiri wa ebe den e de ama ese ye betie akodi nkunim ewo Nigeria de nim tienei ye hwe nim se kwan bia so no support no ewo Kumase ntwo no ne ntwa so Ghana ntwo no ne ntwa so no niam betie san akoyi e de ama the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana yen sebre ye be ko Kumase Babara Sports Stadium hye so na okoma it's my kitchen ho ani abodwa data na ye de live air report no Saba Eric Esiedu Bodi ana Kedwana Kasa ana wa homa no so anei wode nkomo no efi Kumase ton e de abren na no pay Eric yemo achen. Hello Eric. Hello Eric. Enti Eric Esedubodi ana yehwe anim se betua akofa no Kumase Babara Sports Stadium na afia hu sena nema ebesi akoba che ne so mame se enra awosesi kakra timi san todwa utim sampa Ghana for training ana the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana training no Nigeria for so enya opportunity by car for mra no se omo so etimi nya kwanya na omo training enti yenko Eric Esedubodi Kedwana nkasa no ewa homa no so a wo hwe nim se kwa bia so no wode ne ekoso Kumasi na eba beja enti yenkom na afi yenhwe se na nema esitie ena no pei ewu Kumase. Hello Eric. Hello.
And the Black Stars of Ghana versus the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Professor say Ghana for ehweme eteme kana so oteme kan. Live from the Kumase Babara Sports Stadium, the Black Stars of Ghana versus the Super Eagles of Nigeria, World Cup Qatar 2022 playoff, and a basso and a big game by all standards. What if it's enra yebabe PMO the euphoria in town and around the stadium, it's just a big game. The third and final training session, the Black Stars Ebaswa. Nanya easy Bibia Koso Kama just Abrantia Edmond Ado I know on a report here say on to me NCA can be but and 24 hour more handle the Black Stars said the technical team say one more and replace Edmond Ado. One more air train after the game, no matter take a decision on him. Now, the scare Eddie can buy Daniel Kofiche, one of our informed players, want to be Anya training. Now, training a one year and chess on to me, can be but na precautioner. The technical team a teki Senebeya, I want you to be ama, na plan one quanko Breno. Yes, and no, any the course. So apart from 2 players, I'm about with the any early on reports, Eddie Kenya, no. Bibia the Dia blessed training Kama, the captain of the Black Stars, Tete Ayo on team no but and over PMO training grounds and then home Jimwa, but my boys team morale near dia. Now, I did about to me the emphasis the fact that stadium ne home any actually a brand Black Stars training no fans never bring and a good stadium next year. No more per Quenya, Euro Black Stars training, but and penny form room and not a quiet giddy kakra between fans no any police for na and was also gate to pese room could have a glimpse of their gallant Black Stars na you say Ghana from per Black Stars no say see pictures are washi ya de bia de camera dada say they to so mo hwe bia e chese Ghana for per Black Stars ne pa krom ankasa de won hye den ho tete no Black Stars bebo ne flag ne de bebre no but oba close to the stadium would be a feeling you were close to the stadium and fans ne prebia moment come later and a porcupine tertiary when we are mom kra na chire no na jama omo hyenya sam keto akra eti jama ne de course one sana ye wura inside no mo de jama no akwakọ prapra chire we inside and the Black Stars ehun se jama ne course to me say vima bapa ne ade a na nya easy cry no e fans ne de no na bi ebuafu pa after training any bibia na fans no apie na players ne pie no na ohuru bi ekoso na fans na hero team no nya ne some pe Black Stars na but no mo complaints they say some basom ba behwe wo mo team mo manage ho na mpanifo mo kwan mo nhwe mo eno na your problem ti na team na we train na mo pie no na mo huro mo kakra prof na nya asam keto akra now eno edanchen at the press conference coach Otoado ene Thomas Party be bo captain Samba no eba press conference na central for ABC someone ano o share the demeanor of the captain. And I think so no coach Otoado prof by all standards and bibia chere say they are serious say game ni serious no so na technical team any players so far game ni serious the Thomas Party can say they can't afford to disappoint Ghanaians one more ebeyero why dey betumi bia at your man anymore e Ghana has a qualification e betima ba mu I guess almost chance fi Ghana enti one more beyero nya results Sony e Ghana and Sani akopie mu Nigeria now coach Otoado so ye bisa no Sani niema sitie oba be fa team ye de wahu an o kire mu say bibia de din wa hwe team no that's why I said wanya too much time to train with the team no onim the ability of every player what on Sadia friend to onim team what be share Nigeria enya sam keto akwati de akeka kono no ene ye twiben team no e come hotel share wo mani bede abede person boboy no prof enya me nwanwa said net results are pen ye benya agone form there but seriousness no I see it ye hu say na no ye bobo wie ye na players be catch and say the desire was not there and rami who desire no now okopie mu former players one be PM likes of Sami Kufuor, likes of Tony Buffo, and the old players Jerry are coming. Come on, I don't want to kabumu amaba. Eba be support Golden Boy Razak, mo udi mo dada. Ache so mungina ba be PM han mo mungina be support the Blacks. So say ache tiny wo. And Minister of Youth and Sports will be PM training grounds. And boys na be kasaka kratchra mo say Ghana fo nyina tawmachi. Nti omo nyira mo ho na wo mo embodman fama o my Ghana. Before Minister be Rust Stadium no kra na yedin say fans no ma bom ma be e stadium nachi say omo benya opportunity to watch their Black Stars and one room later and ma kakra room mu amko bojom so ti kakra players ne hu ye no menyi ni say omo feel say Ghana fo atoma jeje mu because stadium nachi omo kakra horo kakra bi na course ba no kwa na ne say ya mo kwan mo anwura mu ne ade prof obepiem Kumase dia bibia set Euphoria na no den enu kakra hu ye na kyerɛ Ghana for him say bibi ba be koso we hope some be bo stadium ne ma na bibi atima koyi e-ticket ne de en cry nya fi the National Sports Authority no kyerɛ nkrofo to na eto e bi nya challenges kakra benra bi koye just half of the stadium they are turned that. And when you still maybe to one more so at all, a phone swipe, near can half on year they can 20,000 in 1 day, and no my what the PM said maybe no more yet. It took a gate and nothing a be Sassania, ye yanwo. Any idea man before you beach or more and a sunny on bit man and a press will be crab basset, one more if you want to me to more Bahama Yatro Sunny Bayano. And so people are trooping in San Ombina Quenya about the Black Stars. Game near 7:30 p.m. Kakra Ecoso press conference players the money at the identity prof. Mejidi say results papa and ye be home at the end of the day.
Ti Union Markaway. Hello Eric. Hello Eric. Hello Eric.
Prof Metonka.
Hello Eric.
Prof Metonka pa.
Yeah, na mbisa say Union Markaway mo show ni Mavis ni o ma keka ho a mo ko pie mo Kumase no omo wen.
Well, unim say na ye the ultimate sports show. Aya Asempa FM. A sports show kesia. Aya the biggest sports show in Ghana. If you Kumase Babaya Sports Stadium na ebre aya Ghana fo nyina. Enti ya set it up ewo aya stadium ho a. Me no ka say show no ekoso de dending. The likes of Moshosho, the likes of Maestro, Mavis, Queenstown, team ebe PMO ewo aya Kumase opa en se mra no. Ye nyina aya set sabre ye morning show no if you Babaya Sports Stadium. And say yen so ye pone ho kakra ama Ghana fo hu de ekoso ewo Babaya rechi any inside no.
Okay, nti anopai what are they saying e Kumase?
Well, the typical weather in Kumase, you see how PMwa Sadia Chienchi Kusu Kakra, but en Chesas in Swimunadie, and Chess in Swabuna, whether any moon you come up. We are hoping for a good weather. Say in Subeto, this is the Yanya Science Bia, say Subeto, if you we best say, cray. I heard him say, you're going to have a good game, and then you're at 7:30. Okay,
so Bibi, no idea, I am far a super class no coverage, no, our anopedius, no fancy, Yamiatoma, MC Beto, radio, so now for my phone was an anema AC Echo.
Well, Prof, but Kakram the Beckham, and I said, for the first time in Ghana, yeah, Baby, you sue the VAR. Yes, for the first time in Ghana, careful for Ajia to be one set up BBR. You make my use VAR, no? I will Ghana game anymore. Eti Kashano Safame. And then my whole do a car forecast here in front of Tuaquemo and some of my acquirement, ya bobo, no. 98% BBR them, INT, the pitch, inside almost saying so, referees ne at demo, but media and better. And American VAR and I feel so no. The best talk to a game na thing na on patrol. BBR them, ya the near who say BBR come out. Yen you Macaf Macasso more banner Debbie. BBR set for the game at 7:30 p.m. Live commentary at Adom 106.3 and at Sempa 94.7 FM. Multimedia in Sha 104.5. Bra, si yajiri ni asia. Yajiri ni ase. Eti station Bianca dem. Multimedia is in town. And Obia so say oh area cancer for no I'm gonna count money a month almost so yani at the batem for prof we are in town ya jaboso.
Okay inti security I'm paying for share boss and Yami Adom say na nam Kumase a we them say one person behind one soldier na say police at the sense ho
Prof Sabra biem
na bisa say security ba mo won say metesen because almost share boss say enei wonam Kumase nko ade abon say nipa ba ku bia na mo bia na say soldier ni na say police ni ba ko na nchen a omo bo ban.
Prof the enra ye hu ye no HSN security be tight even enra na training where security be pie mu no Prof and them say rough for better was sumpa since that fans ne force some be rest stadium ho there was heavy security. The only thing ana enye wo ho ne say no mu kita too mu kita heavy ammunitions we rough for them say the be pim one so pa just to scare one more beg gidi kakra away na police for kai de ne bi wo ha pa heavy security na nra just training na Black Stars last training empo na heavy security sa ho no te na de magidi yes and ma hu national security for baako mienu bi say esilale dey see etafe na ekobo no nso ane sa nti ma nra de me hu ye ne de chese na be koso pa no pe kakra bi ne ma hu but since game no ye nwumre 7:30 ne de my hope say nra de me hu ye no ene e be double say na be ya bibia beto din.
Okay, we dey ye better was nyame adoma ye be san ba for your second report na fia hwe say NDC ne MPP ma hyebiafo no so mo ka say o message say e da be piem e Kumasi Babara Sports na fia hwe se na nema esi ekọ o mutwumadi a o edi mutino ye be san ba ho bi o fetos minu na fia hwe se na nema esi ekọ ye ntwe ni mfa nkyere mu
good day professor. Thank you so much. Erica Siedubuedi reporting live from the Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. Ye be san ba wakwa mo bi
Eric Siedubuedi Kedua Nankasa no anatenenka all the way from Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium nyame adoma and 7:30 live commentary between the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana one more any of Nigerian counterparts no way a World Cup playoff in fact a crucial dicey titanic crunchy encounter bakwa and also everything asanto film but quickly yensan kom enra ahusesi etimensa todwa sokoban fatilo ejinam edeman shire fema enra ono so kopie Babara Sports no koma wodo pie mu ho no sokoban fatilo Jonathan Esiedu ede hunsunsan so
Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. Ever share the senior soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. The Super Green Eagles of Nigeria. And so at me Apple. Then final training before final training, a coach, Otu Ado, on a captain fantastic Thomas Partey, and so any room, and so all pre-match conference on them. Now the channel said. I'm going to say to you, I'm some transformers with P1 Busa. I'm say, I'm our secret plan. One man, I'm say, I tactics and I'm me and for and to ya. The name and so go aquam Sanabia, the Black Stars of Ghana, and Kunumudia, and so about me, I call at me at 50 minutes. I won't be for media for almost I'm saying on my patch. The channel said, training na aqua normal training, na aqua microto. We couldn't see no possible kakra. Medin Ed Jonathan Esiedu, let me after Sokoban Fatilo. Yeba Kumasi
Jonathan Esiedu Sokoban Fatilo na tene cancel the live report no if you Kumasi Babara Sports no between say giant. I also men rate when PM say Andre Ramididi Morgan Ayo, who happens to be the captain for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana Ra. Oko Sam Nanteni Mutimedi South Soccer Krabat O Piano and on the fans na ebu mpunimpu omo buy na watch abisi sabri watch na yira se pania tompo no anwemo hwa enya dia omuhu but today ayo asema kan se obi a ohu watch ni bia no odi beja ke betua san bo wachede sonko a obetua san dia mo se sa watch na ni dofo bi ene toma na ogidi se ede na koma ho so pa enti sa watch na yira na se won hyeda ntia se sa eya ma na nu ne se okupie mu Kumasi Babara Sports do ba ni nem no ne aba no if you on fa ni enkyere nkrafofo dia na se coach Otuado enra ono so ne sentrofo bompunimpu na ne odija eni
that people are skeptical because of the let's say the last bad tournament, so it's normal. But where there's skepticism, there's a chance, and this skepticism, which was among the press or among a lot of people, made us actually work harder. So we have a plan. This is for sure. For sure, I can't tell the plan. Right now, you have to play the game, and then everybody hopefully will see. But football is football. You can play good, you can still lose. You can play bad, you can win. So first of all, me and the coaching staff, so we worked hard. The players worked hard to bring the plan on the pitch, and to make a high probability that we win. And we are very, very conscious about this.
The Ghana's interim coach, Otuado, and Anthony Council didn't come out 8 said Jana Thomas Party and Yamia Duma Beshe captains Amban and Nafi, Nibun Kunon fan to Okra. Now, Odia Buamaniama, Etienne Sakui, Ukukumasi and Ra, Obeti party after party, party after party, Thomas Party, as a Ghana for Enya in Cranches and Yamia Duma, or more Ebeye.
At the AFCON, we didn't, have much time. We were going to a tournament. This is not just a 2 game, so it's different. Now we have an opportunity to qualify to World Cup. We are going to face a great opponent with quality players, and we believe in each other. We're working hard. We did our best. As coach said, we have a plan that we want to, play as a team. We want to, develop this team to be able to achieve greater things. So this is what we want to do. We concentrate in this game. We try to do our best. Everyone that will be on the pitch will give their 100% or 200%. And at the end, what will happen, we have to be grateful for whatever we did.
Thomas Te Party and Aten can say wrestling Asia Cosuna, then common in Cranches Major Ghana for Yamiaduma, a ball game New Year per 4 days time, Umbu marketing Domaniacha, Nigeria, must shoot Abiola Sports Stadium. Now on the second leg encounter, Nathan Sakopem, so Abusia may promise says our game with a crucial, a Titanic, a crunchy, a very difficult game. Now so Ghana for maintenance in Yamiaduma, or more Ebeye, Tiataumachi, now Ometia. Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa. And so the Nkomo Eja Emra, and also a construction, Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium.
I'm here on behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Adom TV, our President, my President, your President, to thank all of you and also to welcome you back home, and also to welcome you here in Kumasi, and to assure you that the entire country, we started this journey together. And as you know, I said it the last time we met, that we have 30 million population in our beautiful country called Ghana. And this 30 million, the Commander-in-Chief of our Ghana Armed Forces is His Excellency the President of the Republic. The only army that we can use to qualify to welcome out of the 30 million are you guys. You are the army that we are sending to the battlefield to represent our entire country. And every action that's happening on the field, every single home in Ghana, the impact is going to be felt. And I can see as I stand here, looking into your faces, Amate, Thomas Partey, Fatao, and my brother, all of you, I can see that there is something, you are hungry to go there. All of you are just yearning. And I have no doubt that you have worked so hard. You have worked so hard. For this qualification started a long time ago. You have delivered. There are other countries that has fallen. But you have risen, you have raised to the occasion, on several occasions when you are most needed. You have delivered. And I have no doubt at all that tomorrow you are going to deliver.
Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Air Sports Minister, and Atene Council in Nkomo 18 said Janu who said Papa B, Aboniche, Ashes Space Jan and Chandia, Ewiasimu, Yasi Usru Pepini and Afan Papa Kremo, Alhaji Abdul Karim Gusankasa, and an Nigerian child team Sampa support no, Emu Ed Dene, Asen Tampehoma, and Yasha himself Kwabiasono, Omo Ebitin Asadiako. But in Nemuno, Kurt Edwin Simon Kraku, a Ghana Football Association President, and also the Nkomo Kakra, 8 years Senja, Efasene, give no Ebisiako.
There's no need for me to talk long because you guys have already spoken by way of your reaction towards the national call. The platform that presents to all of us tomorrow is a platform that we've all been waiting for. It's a platform that I have been waiting for, and most importantly, it's a platform each one of you has been waiting for. It's a World Cup platform. Guys, let's go and do it. You can see here, you have the entire country behind you. Why must we fear any foe? Why? Look at what is happening. Guys, this is the turf. The turf tomorrow will not be different from what we are standing on today. Let's do it. And we can do it. And we will do it. I have said time and again that what we can give is to show passion, is to show commitment on the pitch, and to stay with each other, most important. To stay with each other, When the going is tough, encourage your colleague. Because this is the time for us to make our dear country great and strong. This is the time for all of us, party.
Nti Ket Edwin Simon Okraku Ghana Football Association President and Nra Hwesene Mexico so aboni court na one mrante ne kasa ba supporters a wo so ewo Kumasi ekohwe akensi ni bi no wo so de omo chita etwensa akoe na jama ene eyensenku dewuta ene mumume a epie mu Kumasi no esewani Enti Ghana Hwesene Mexico so Kumasi mrante se omo nsha atade agise bia blasters etimedi nkunuma wie enti enu Hwesene Mexico so Kumasi ananka odi mfu wie na se o te so na yu atade ne nra Blasters of Ghana training no emomu yo matade but yemfa ye ni nche Nigeria ba akopɛ na fiti Nigeria fo so nkomo mo de aba Amaju Punik wono na Ghana Nigeria Football Federation president na ono so de nkomo aba isan se wahyehyɛ ne amabia ogidi pa se obe surprise Ghana.
We just want Nigerians to support and believe in what we are doing. We thank the government, thank the Honorable Minister, and thank everybody that have been very supportive. You know, coming here, a lot of Nigerians are coming by road, you know, and truly and really the Ghanaians have been, particularly my colleague, Kot Akraku, he has been excellent. He came to the airport himself as president of the federation and also as president of WAFU to come and receive us with his team. So that was quite legendary as far as I'm concerned, you know, and that's kind of solidarity.
Ensi nearby no Amaju Punik, wono Nigeria Football Federation president Nathan Council de Nkomo 18 to January. Nigeria supporters ne Ghana supporters no Medina AstroTurf. Wom de nkugura kensi bo so omo bo 1-1 e osa kensi nim. First time a Ghana and Nigeria Asia no so na a draw and afi so kwa no in the month of March makacho de da se matches makomako be se 9 ayabo no 2 African Cup of Nations baako pe na qualifies na boy no and also a draw in the month of March and so Augustine Ogwavo our Nigeria for coach no wono so ginam esi akensi de tia Ghana da na match no and also a draw we ni nkomo kakra and also me the title e de ama onya me adoma nkoma wodo a ebe chiri ne doso within the Professor Ike wala sakudi catch baako pe na me of course evidence based sports presentation message out radent na ni ma onyo kese you be ni da so ni fan ko be ni da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Tawa say wa hwe video ami gidi say wo hwe video wani anche die me pese wo ye ne say o hu adoma ne da fa won se team so na subscribe o subscribe ya video bia ye betu go bia o benya kwenya na won so wati mi ahwe enye no kuma like na share die me pese wo ye ne say sign fa won se team share ni so na wo hu ye bi so enye bi na won so fa mo bi na kom na ye koye
epen kakraka epen akesa no ye me yo awso epen akesa da ma anyim do me ye nketu aso emfata wanim akese na ne fata wo nche da na kechim na mitiri ketekete ekechim na mitiri ketekete nzaje da egbo mitina akese na mitina ase ye me yo nketu na ahyema ewo wanim na mbona akese na yi wanim na ye ketekete na amemo fota Enye ufota. Mame, debia mitufo. Debia mitufo. Me pese wunyini na obeye. O maimba pa. Anasa oba papa mame. Na da ache me bra anye kwa. Ewiase.
Moto airplane na wo.
O se de.
Aeroplane. Moto biamo.
Mo nyame nhyira so.
Aeroplane.
Ewrade nhyira so. O nhyira so wate. Nyame ma onye kese.
Amen.
Panetie mafutu. Okay. Akwada wusi so a ese wudi wo buo ni die e ma wona ene woja eno no nche se de owo wo nko a pani bia wo chen wo bia no fani die ni buo ma no na wusi so na wo ho ofa emfa wa ho ofe e me ma ho so encheche ho emu nipa bomfia
Bunipa. Fi se wuntimi monipa. Hey. Papa wo botaye bia ntia. Obo nipa ba asase we so.
Ma hwe. Na mo hwaze wo mo phone no de sisi ayo. Na mo hwaze wo mo phone no de sisi a. Na kan asem. Obi letter wacho. Asem elike ho onye letter na pepepe o. Onye na pepepe. Hwe. Aza wacho oni. Osi there dear Ramatu. Na cheda letter ni pako no wacho ama Ramatu o. Na osi there I am very glad to write you this letter. How are you? Hope by the grace of God you are fine.
That's what I'm glad this one. Glad.
Mama said the Ramatu.
Ah, what's me who glad or glad is me?
Only you glad. Kade glad.
Glad. No, dear no.
Our mama can imagine. Also there, the reason why I'm writing you this letter is to tell you why A comes before B. A comes before B. The reason why A comes before B is because attitude comes before beauty. Attitude, Oma. Attitude comes before beauty. Lower your pride and ego. Even iPhone 12 Pro, which is 9.150 Ghana cedis, needs SIM card of 2 Ghana cedis before it can operate. So be humble.
2 Ghana cedis kwa ya den wo phone.
Say kita iPhone Pro Max na say no boy zinda na mpa. Say enya SIM card 2 cedis a entume use o. Nto so da iPhone Pro Max obra no ho asema SIM card 2 cedis.
Mo afutuo na no. O kana sempa papa.
Mai hu da minyima azapa.
Unimu adie matete unsu yi. Eno na me ka cho wa.
Ba se
Muso wo kire wo muso ya wo dankasa.
Muso bia.
Tu ya da dodo me dia ma me enye uti na ma na ya dia wo kire.
Na ma. And the blasters Oribobolo.
Matete o.
Ya ba shine.
Ya ba se. Wa hwa ya ba se 10. Ana 20. Adan. See me agro.
Match ya na kan wasem ya.
De ko bobo ya be 20.
Na pa. Ena ye be show na 20s.
Oh 20 ye be du.
20s
ba ho hwe ye be du.
Minjins the 20s.
Meji men kwala ni die. Meji wo mu di pa.
Na John Dumelo we ho. Papa no otwa form. Papa no otwa form no. 2018 no. Hey, Nigeria for World Cup. Also do in Nigeria. O changeism. Also friend Chinedu John Dumelo. Sisi alaze. Also in Nigeria free boys. Oh, Nigeria for want to one adwum kra na. Ye be shwan. Inti ma hwe ehwe hade ya. On na wa cho yo 2018 is in your city. My new name is Chinedu John Dumelo, proudly Nigerian. Na and the way in Nigeria for now. What's a sisi ala? Onye ye na eko.
Sir, you see, if you go to Rome, do the Romans do.
If you go to where?
Rome, do the Romans do.
Na es na ka fan we hin.
Enti wo kwa ho no. En wo se sa ne din wo pese wo ye Nigeria ni. Enti se wo woni krom.
Ye man Ghana zine.
Enti wo be fa ne din ana.
Ye man Ghana zine for far.
Ye nto ne din se.
Ye man efo suze de be obi afre na efo. Obi afre na efo.
The din be na wo hwa e fata no.
Na ma blasters what time na blasters no wo bobo na da na ka anasese mi chem. Next the players no abedi pele amenhu no. Menhu.
Abedi pele nko a. Awudu Isaka. Tony Yabuamo. Na nyasem keto. Mesi awudi Isaka no na kwaje cap. Satam na me wo kra me nyasa me nya wale wo papa mpo. No mo bani abegina nima kwan yeso. Ni ebose, ni etonyonyum ehia wo mo se na kwan so aye mapi so. Na nya agro. Ta Satan na me youngs.
Na we youngs.
Me youngs. Youngest. Nti. Na nya agro no mo so young boys nko a.
Dam?
Oh, no mo bobol.
Jama woni share papa.
Dabi saka me ware.
E woda bacho.
Saka me ware footballers.
Okay, me kaka share papa ati. Kakache papa.
And then woman in agogo. Woman in agogo.
Now, ma in baby na wo fa na Twitter na.
Kroben.
Hey. I was in Makashia inyim. Makashia inyim. Inyim echinchi mitsu da ma.
Na on person ho be fa na. Minyai. Me so ha was sing out. Me ko so ha sing out. Minyai ya na awura.
She. Mama nchro Twitter. Twitter. Oni anoma no no lutu fan. App na ebokọ na anoma no lutu fan. Oho no me hu. Se enyima ni enyim na kaka asam na nkan ye wo ho no wo bore wo graw.
Sa
obi a boso wo mu. We botwe wa ha de na we lutwe wa ha wo batete wo ta.
Na ya twa sere na abasa. Na wankọ ho so na de na aba.
Na sisi ale hu. Asama we si wo Twitter nye de. Ebeke de
ni nyina wo phone no so.
Owodo. Ebeke de insimi the last year honum baby. What's there? Some the monko fear was mesiafo be for mesiafo no. Eke da masam no. Na waka da obobo office wa Ghana ha dey. Ebi no se de o. Won jintum, ebi no se mama obo jintum. Won listen san. Wo eyimizin na bamam.
Ai GBLSCB you say why?
Mommy. Jading. LGBTQI+.
Hey.
Can catch them.
Edi man na tenti sabro for nyumi.
LGBTQI boy.
LGBTQC. Me timi kura. Me na makame catch.
I was gender ma ai.
Me na makame catch ma. Me kura me be gigina mu say ma ye nyintum.
Da me hu.
Oh.
Abezinta ma.
Say enye ni ye nyansa che nyame ana. Nyam nim bibia ansa na wode ye ba asase so. Enti de wo ye nyina efe. Enti na obo Adam a obo Eve ka no. Nko pese oba enware oba ana be ma nware be ma. Se ko obo Adam, obesa abo Adam, second Adam.
You are right.
Mama,
you are very right. Nti na be am ka mama ho nyansa chi no bia.
Oh. Asa ye pese ye bibia chen nyame. Asa ye sin nyankopon. Menti ase.
Ma ni nyima.
Ye pese ya sabo nyame.
Asa mi be ho a. Honorable Sam George. Hey, ono the or the celebrity see gam. Or the celebrity awe nyim na baka kaka de wonji ntuman. No onye wo Twitter ho. Ni na Papi Kojo kra ma mi nyima azo ye no na say o ye da ho no ma na o kasa na o ye nyema bi na azman tena ase.
Na oboda man.
Ma mi nyimo. Ono say wa adweno ho a Nkadebora Vanessa Sam George only Deborah Vanessa na hamano cause I don't cause no hujim na sisi ala onye nkofu bi lo kontokwa celebrities na superstars bi onye wo kontokwa wo Twitter ho no mo wi a obokwa Sam George no do onye na kontokwa da bezinti na onye Deborah Vanessa be yedam because ono ze ochodo oporo ka de ogitumo me ka de sometime bi krampo ka de nampo ofe Happy Kojo okay
o se wanu anu ofa Benyi.
Also don't know for being.
Hey!
Okay.
I sabi. Oya kramaya na.
Minimo mama. Inti asam na be pe. Onam da to do. Ima me Twitter nyo. Twitter
na tin bebrebe.
Ho da church won ko sen. I watch roda ma. O choro so se de unde obi kan kan.
Na nipa na o se yanyin tumu no. Oda sumye so.
Inti Sam George lichirema. Papi Kojo why late asami obe 6 months yi afa na wo ama omudo rebeka de yanka basama na mosima Papi Kojo take time junjun ho asana oreba no do ababeka de onye no reba abayen otum hu de na la na career no we wu de do ntina lo mpo huni ohun da na career no mpo we wu Papi Kojo no nyum ba ni
otonyum
asam na ye
me ni mo nanyumo
enti Sam George nyo
to ni nyum ba ko kire me e bia mekai
Renema Chenema so unda me girl ya Renema
wana to sa nyum no
onna
Renema me Chenema Say ni Miguelia.
Wena mom.
Say ni Miguelia.
Wena mom.
Aba say ni Miguelia.
Wena mom.
Nenyo no.
Nenyo no. Enti. Aha. Oto do no kasa no he. Owonye bebre a odwendwe no ho. Keno for ya tansem yo like kana azefu no kosol. Sidi no so onhu do. Enti onyaza owe energy kra onyi obi a musician na ne career ewu. Onye ne be yin samano. Inti Sam George na zo cho to Twitter ho no nyino. Na me so men kenchen.
Na Twitter ho no de nsem gu ho papa.
Inti
nsem ko twi ko abrama ni nyina wo Twitter ho bi.
Bibia ho. Ena wasa we chum asa we
me titi nipa.
Wasa me chum.
Me titi nipa.
Na ena basa na ko school ah.
Me ko pede wo.
Me ko pede wo school mo.
Na o menya makonya de.
Ma today Samini na Kokoveli. Wo ko school o. Ya today Samini na Kokoveli. Samini na Kokoveli. O level 200 wo gempa.
Yo mo ko yeden.
O mo ko siadi.
Mo ha wo mo ho sa.
Wan mo ko sha admission amo. Etne fie de bia dama eboko school. Eboko school ekosua business.
Baby amadro no mesrew. Fesika ma mentwama no. Na nya dia ma eko school bia mesrew.
Bo hwe awo hwe Samini no nye pap Kokovelia woko school wa gempa bo hwe az.
Anko krase mu ko school mu ko peden.
Avele mama
da do mo hin fa na afi no mo ko ncha schools time be able to mako masada mzulu ko school he wonnom school no ma na kwhwe wo hu fans asamo ko do ho aw ma yenhwe video na
fans ntino mko ye
aw de hwe video
the
fans no watch one agent ho da one so no
the school na wa mko ni
why are so
say ya
we celebrities
say ya no mko ye wo ho mko ye hwe say ya
na asa we ya aso na asa we ya wonende na ebotuma ya
ya metia
na nka ye yanka jollof na ka de pen kam mama ka crew
sa
mo jollof na me ye abaye le bio
na nya sa mo mo yi
na ma na me ka da ye na sisi am we ko size
ya oye ndia na
oye mama jollof ye ntwado inti Samini na Kokoveli na ware sawodaman na ware sawa game no
ewiase de na bi de wo pe bia na wo de wo we de ye na wadwen ye so ma da sumia so wadwen se
inti
afi na ya wo mo a mo ko school dia se ye
inti ehu da atnamuti no ho da enwie
wo de kasa kura ha me dodo
ncho sa da m ka asam na maze kyerɛw man kan kyerɛw a ebezina na ate awen pe social media na de efie orka de Kofi Kinata
nyom
efie de Kofi Kinata wa oye a good lyricist can I mean say what a lyricist can I mean say
what a lyricist
eba fanda ma ai
okay asia ni say asia ni say o pa tre say wa ye
no di na tem what the what wanya atem zizi osmo otum na ozo wet ozo bobom na ozo ye nwom no oye ne fe oye very good Kofi Kinata oye azepa nti efie se de opedo onyi Kofi Kinata ye nwom osande Kofi Kinata nwom oye very good pa
efie mo de ye wo he
what onyoman
yo mo ka say efie atwa
no Kofi Kinata baka there something is coming no internet che there ampa da wo ba yenwumo mkai awu stand na e baba ye show wa Adom TV do an kan chiram
na me de kakra o ye
me surprise o awu ka chiram Mpedam
me
oya ba show.
Eh. Show no de enya agro. Show no de enya agro kura. Then Palace Wahala.
What find it then?
Palace Wahala.
Palace Wahala.
No.
Hey,
Palace
ma,
Wahala.
no, Palace neche da himfio. No Wahala che there troubles.
And some Poland in some markets nkwa. Gidi. Ewa himfio.
And what be you Adom TV do? Adom TV so the way enzama pa o.
Owazoye.
Hey, no, Adom TV. Aba time na wo ba start the worry.
Hey, obeyi no memenda no num pepepe.
Meminde ya loli.
Meminde ya.
Ayo chuna meminde ya.
Ana meminde bia.
Oh, okay.
No num pepepe no waji ugwa.
4:00. Meminde.
No num.
No, 5. Hey, I'm sorry an account ni let me reflow. 5:00.
No.
Yeah, mix.
Me ba no kra ba ko. Unia ketwan so wa ha. Wona ni mu yie pese obeka mu yie. Omra me kan sem ni mu yie nkyere.
Inti akwesi wa hemfan. Won friend no mama na
akwasi
asam no mu mfan cham. Nti awoma
akwasi
ma yen hwe Palace Wahala no.
Se mo ba hemfie ha na e wo se mo pelifon mo hwe me kam. Mo agi asem no e na mo ku.
E di se fo bi abra. Se wa mo se me plan ni de ogira ho iwe.
Fra uti penso. Na uti penso na na ma. Me yan to nkwa. Me da council free.
Asema wo kan nya no. Enya mi na mi ba begu o ma wade.
Nana mo abranti ma bona to wadada.
Awura we se ma tietie na wa ha ma sorry abo.
Da wodi ko bi achi dia wo ba abre wa na 40 years na wo.
Sorry ma bele wan de menya abo awie make up nko na me ye. To you phone to kan ya na ma biem na ware.
Me tira tire wodi.
Wa bo me. Wodi. Se ma hu se wo pe kokontenti nka ma kra VIP ma wo mo de ni nyina e ba na nka me de ma na opreko.
Enyim. Come on, study, Cassandra. Can I see what lie? What's that? I can't believe this. Can do this one to me? Me? No. I was also young.
Palace Wahala. Yes, Shasie. Memini de ya.
Eh, brother akwesi. Aweda na kacham der be bototo fi amamanto.
Man toto fi na mawa. Eto mama me bisa mama.
Mama ze obo maza na enginezi na mazna no nyo
to ba ya na to fina me konto na ya o kati
na ezi
ndi kafra obeto fofra ma
no na Palace Wahala no e kan hu bia
me kan hu bi
na wo metina de wan fa me nkotwa bi
ya do betwa da no ma me na hwie ni nsugu yi wo ayi adabaka ho no
ko do zumba kwa yin fie na
nche ho no do beba
ma me tie ka wo
ma me tie aka ene wuti nkwa nche mo smo be du wasme hu de ma hemfo na hu me hu de ko di mu wo ho na wonye so moten in fact Palace Wahala o ye serious o ma ye sua ye tete amamre na ye refi hu de ye na mafo yi ne ma pi wo ha ye refi na wo kire amande na amamre mosma tete no ahemfo no bubu man ma do betu bi ni ma pi wo ha ye ni but wo kire dem ne man o ye srew at the same time so kire ne ma nim baby a ifia nim baby a record in dem
okay ampa baby a ma ka kire
nti dem nkofo no wo kire dem ne man ehu ekwa mosma ohene no beye agwa bia na ho nti mi kama pe nkire offend ohene another penny bi keke tumi no wagwa no no bedi nti na hwa ne mafo no ye wuwuru ofrofro nti yesuan dem ne me ye obeboa ye na ye ni ada ho ehu na ye hu baby aye ko western culture na de oye but ye hwe ma obeboa ye na yeso ye culture na or identify as a unique Ghanaians ono so no ye da balance nti Palace Wahala and see production them Palace Wahala da ba no obeboa ye pa na yesuan de
but akwesi asem ye ke o na maka fanta na wa so e ka fante
nche ameme ye
it's because of now
otini nya bebe o ko school so se Wahala so ko nti mu nyina fante
nti Palace Wahala
yes
ochina no Saturday bia 5
p.m. not
waji akonwa kama
ye baba bo she obebe nsem bebre ho
obedi nsem
nsem akesi
obebi kura mete wo ho na hu se mum aso dae woni trim
ampa
mente da
ampa and I'm tum nkenche biala
on kan cho bia enya bibia no da one e kan dem ma be hwe na oyonko bi akwaje afi won sem mumu so da yon kan chiro bi of any plans o ni plans o ni trim hwe na ade
yo mate inti awe am ko hwe Blasters match ni ai baby ma we do no dey
my wa do
edzia no ko park enya mo ko park Mizi na nso mo ko hwe Blasters for match nta awe am ko ai there be mama Mizi
she mama o na
didi
there be mo ko hwe Blasters
bibi atimisi
there be mo ko hwe Blasters for match inti won baba yai won baba yen ko hwe Blasters for match na yem bye bye
abusia me din the Reverend Kwame na Aida me gidi say ye dwumade ni na wani gye ye videos ye talk shows ni dwumade ni na de hia me pa ne se na be ya wasa baka ye dwumade no 24/7 wo bell no wo de point so sa bell no point so biu na sa point so biu o point so 24/7 dwumade ni na e shasia kikro na won saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to no nyame shira.
Yada CBA Samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi eso enti Palace wahala ne de china nyankopon yadoma 5 pm we memenda no ene memenda bia na se wo so atimi ahwe bi mamboat ene Sandra Kapo yada mase production or some point enti we de Nollywood for Kumawood for mu wi a mo fa mamboat nkam ho actor no so woni mu obetumi ayade pa medin yade afia amankwa atamaklo ba bi eduro no ye ba bedi nkomo ahwe yapomdi mu nsem kakra me wo ho ye wie nso afoforo nso wo ho ne mo mama na sponsors yase ene senior high school papa e wo memo obatan ofo bi a wo hwe me Mr. Yenko St. Andrew Senior High School emfa ho ne ba bi a wo tie fi se ye wo board no wo ho ti awofo ne abatan se wo pe school pa e do ba komu St. Andrew Senior High School fa ne ko ho from 1 to 3 ni nyina wo mo courses ni nyina bi e wo ho nti obata mo ani nya won totontoto ha nwenwene bebre St. Andrew Senior High School na make come for the amount DBS roofing sheet nso ene papa no ene se wo si school dan asori dan wo si wo store bi a wa ye na wo hia enchense de aguso a DBS for the nti yenuanom ye maame no mabusua wa amono ne ya ka kire o mo se DBS for the bi na ope wo de go dan so a madan mo nya hye bebre so beton from awom de gina de gina the kokope DBS for roofing sheet ni bi one mother romanti na meti adwam de bedwam efisem dwumade yi me de ebramo na yenkomo na ye die no enura na ewiase nyina da ye yesi ho bodawro afa tuberculosis anase TB anansamanwa eho so atiase na sa yare no se umu a by the time ye bewie yenkomo isimai na ye se wo so watimi afa bibi e de afrim if he says TB kuraba was fine mu a problem enti manya mi ankasa principal nursing officer public health Kolebu Teaching Hospital mame Nelly Ousua Arthur idini ye mede pa chest disease unit eno no de baby owo no anso no we and opa oba be boy na ye di enkomo mame mu akwaba yamu akwaba na bibia boko de
yesu adom bibia ye boko
yada se papa pasa no penso wagebre so ne ye ba be education eno na ewiase nyina da ye yesi ho bo dawro afa TB ho adenti na 24th March ye yesi ho kasafa TB ho
metase bebre bichia ahwefo nyina nso se yare bia si a ye to ye bo hwehwe adekra ede yare no eba na 24th December no ena ye doctor baako 1882 ena ye doctor baako ye friend Dr. Robert Cox or identify na so emwawa omode sa TB yare ne eba nti sada ne na yetu esi hɔ a amansen nyina ye de bodewro ekai nipa se yare ne wo hɔ na ye de kai ebrasa nipa no doctor ne di sa emwawa no ma ye remfi ma ye da ye ho so se yare ne da so wo hɔ nti da no ya hyeda na ye de esi hɔ de kai no na ye de bodewro nso ma obia ehu se
na this year theme no so ya me de pa invest to end TB save lives Edentina this year say yadi ho ehyemunia NDTV anything ma yadi adwuma
em say yare afoforo abehye ne so nti ma ye hu ne hawo no sesia nti ye fa wei ama ayes aboa obiara amense nyina ye bo ne dewro mu hwe fi yen say ohawo kese da ho because we no TV yare no to ne bo ansana adani hu edi nti yare bi ba na sententen na se nipa na iwu a na ama ye hwe fi say yare bi wo hwa no kra no ekum nipa kra echen nea esi nti ye boni de ro sane be ya ye besra nkofo amanama ye kanse aban ne nimpanimfo ne ankrankra bi wo mu nsem se omo hwe fi yen mumfa sika emeboa yen mumfa bu neema emeboa yen esan se tibi nweduma edin sabi nipa na ono ankasa no oyare no onya yare na ase ohaw bi abeda no so enya se mfa ne ho ohaw bi abeda no so because e de hawo na e de bre no wontimi nhumi asabi wontimi nante nkoye wo bibi nti e de ohaw abeto no so obeye den na wedidi obeye den na wanom na oba clinic kra obeye den ahwe ne ho de aba impembebre na nkasa nso ye ne nso ayetu anamo akono nso ye nso den na ye de ko ni nyina ye keka na akosi niema ebeboa yen ama yetimi aye yeduma na bibia so ye se kwancha de efa ye diska na ye nti na ama ye etu ye hugum se momboa yen
na TB na akorade na de ba
ye say emwa bi a TB mwa na ye friend microbacterium tuberculosis na ekwanya efa so a ede eni de ye mfa ye ni hu ena ni din no so ye mfa nkofa ntim e ma ni nye ye na twi mu ma ni nye ye but TB yare ne ye mwa wa ye mfa ye ni enhu jesa ye de kwasha machine ase ansa na we hu sebe bibi ewom emwa no so ni scent te se na ye u bie spray so a spray to me ko ema obi tibi ehumi ko ni mu te se wonka enso emwa ne kwan a efa so esane no etese we bie spray so nipa no bowa no hwenti o kasa denden a otu mwa o yare na otu mwa no edi gu mframam especially yare ne ka ye ka ne sen wo lungs no nti wo bowa no na wutu egu mframam minim sane ameka larynx nso wo twimu wahrawa no nti ebekwa akaka wahra no na eho no ene abontin edi esi nti wo hwenti wo kasa na wutu mwa no edi gu wo bowa na wutu mwa no edi gu mframam se wutu mwa no gu mframam a nea owo wo nchen bia oben wo no one wo cha wo mframa na eba no nti wutu a na esese be hwe te se bebi a wuti ekwan da me ni wuntem nti me kasa ana me hwenti a ebegu ha emma wo ho nti woni ni partner kra na se na me ni watene ye kasa me kasa ne kose usu wo de ebese me dane me ho na me hwe wani musu hwe manim a me hunti a me mframa no wo beje akowo hu na ekwan a efa so a wodi nya mmoawa no
na enkran so nya bi
enkran nya bi said omusu ye nipa nti wo panini wanya ukuta akwala a wo behunti egu no so ana se wo ne nkwala boaboa nkwala no wo hwe nkwala wo fie wo manage wom nti teacher owo bi no obetimi ade asane ne nkwala ewo classroom
ti kwa be ne ebe emre ni sha werim say ye whole program emre ni sha kwa be ne ebe fa so abo ye ho ban
ban mbo na ye ebo ne bi ne se ti say ye be hye ye max
okay
oja wo max na me hwenti a ehyem be kasa ehyem nti bibie ni form a ebetimi etu egu abonte wabra me ni nipa bebre ehia ebre bia wo ni nipa bebre be hia no esese wo ma ekwan eda montem se ne ebe ya untumi enche monframa no afi no yesi ekwan ba kun so ye besi ano ne se wo a wo yare no wo bebo moden se temi bia no wo be ko hospital age wedro na wa hwe so anum wedro bra wo nu medro no na wo buama emwa wana ho odin e kofo
edro na efri ana
edro ni de ye ngisika
Okay.
Aban fa ho kanyina.
Okay. Nti so be working in call hospital, no so be checking ni TB allowed ho.
Yes, sa wo ho na sa wo hu sa wo bo wa. Impen bebre na ya ye bibifo no. Ya bo wa bebi a ye di kan ekoye drugstore. Na ya koto cough syrup. Yes ramo. Enya cough syrup ne na beboa. Nia eye wo ne na bema we hu se we hia cough syrup no ana se we hia bibi foforo. Nti wo bo wa edi kan na wakoto cough syrup no kra hwe say wine stand baby o ma. Wa bo wa no be 2 weeks kwa. Yes tumri kako hospital bia. We do hospital for catch a nurse say nurse me bowa nti mesraw eden na meye nurse ne be kire wo nipa o yes ade ne ho adwuma ye be ma we yi ahore ye waste with time na ye di we di nkomo ebisa bisa wonsam wo bo wa na time ben obi abo wo fie ana wo ne obi a wa bo wa anante mbre kakra ne nyina ye to ye bu e de hwehwem ma ye hu se wo ne obi e di ehia obetumi enya bi na ya ye investigations and na nhwehwemu di ama o se ye hwehwem na se ye hu se e TB yare na ntempa na ya so
ano no antinali yemfa unsi ha ebre semu no ye besa to yensa fro bium na fe woni ya education ye da se papa ma me nali usu asa our your principal nursing officer wo Kolebu Teaching Hospital Public Health Chest Disease Unit and an open so ye din koma fa TB ho mesro ye ntie ne ye wo bo more than 2 weeks
ye bo one no so a ye nhwa se ye di masha max ya bo ye be di handkerchief ebeka ebo one egu handkerchief no mu se tissue kra na ekuta wa bogum na yi ahore no mpem bebre ne eya na wane de ahore ene de na
no atwachne no
I fakoto ball men
tonchene be bia kekesa na menchire na de agudas bi mo kama se be bi ye yo bia ti da mama Nelly Owusu Athase papa happy birthday me dofo papa bi me nua papa bi abna foriwa amanfo na Celestino say nyame hraw nyame nyo kese no nyo kese pa nega na yegina kunu so wa wani tua moma mora na nkosoro anya kura Ghana na ofiri nti mo amoye nenne anya hwe emfo akoma bebre na ani akiri but ma support no ngom so ati ase nti me kwa ba because said the tie bia baba nyara ye be kɔ ne akwa said the atmosphere na charge wo me kwa ba
ni tawase se wa hwevidi ami gidi se wo hwevidi wani anche die me pese wo ye ne se o hu adoma ne da fa won se teams na subscribe bia video bia ye betu go bia ubenya kwenya na wo so wati bia hwe enye no like na share die me pese wo ye ne se sign for us team share so na wo we bi so enye bi na wo so mfa mo bi na kom na ye koye
ede yavia se papa panti anu ani aka akire wo no ba bia ye wo ho Adom TV Twitter ne Instagram ne ba bia follow na ye ni beje nyame hrawo yeguso ye di enkomo no se na me se Ghana ya wakono se na yetie bia de besie bia no ye wa akire ho ene ye supporting ti no Isaac no menyo boase ne mpotamo wokoye ne Ghana fo bi edi nkomo ye je wo madwene nti ne Ghana Nigeria obi apese okọ World Cup nyame ba ko pe no anu ye sum no nti se nyame na so wo hemfa sisi ai wo tie ho de erade ne de ya consider tie Ghana yanko Isaac no menyo ho ne ade hie bi di nkomo no de mra sesia
the afatu ye ho so enam emontre so ebisa Ghana for adwenkyere se enne Ghana Black Stars and Super Eagles Nigeria for akansia ekoso ewo baba nyara agoprama so ewo kumase no sen na wo mo adwen wo mo nipa no bi mu se Ghana ebehye miensa ebi se Ghana ebeluzu match no 2-0 ye ni sankofo eni komo ni emisa se edienti na wo mo se Ghana ebehye na wo mo so ekere se Ghana entimi enhye meeting at the Isaac K. Nomenyo Adom TV. Charlie, man, you know, me as well.
I beat Russia, Nigeria. It's a win your first time. And the second time, Nigeria for the end of the show.
And then we will beat Nigeria.
Win your first time and win your second time. So, Nigeria, the GDC beat my show.
Team Nye.
And then the formula and the coach, you know, standard or starting so yeah.
That's name be Irish and say. Last time I qualified. See, I'm praying say you beat me 3 goals to 0.
Players who so beat me.
Oh, say me show more confidence. Say ontimi anka ya mfre no Ghanaians e doso but you say omo no betumi ayadwuma na mai nti yem pampa I want how much
ye ko afkwan de ko see
enipa de ebia na that time na obi kwa enya fit as at that time no but now no obi answer realizing the mistakes the once o mahu mistakes in them say omo etimi I training I recover on mistakes no
chikana betuma sha Nigeria
o ye be show me training
that's
ama je me de madwen chire fa won say ye team no de enye na mo me Ghana ni de me support Ghana say ye betumi ase o mo ni qualify for World Cup no
e dey tell say ye team ni nye
me players ya on ke kan ya me de mani ho ye team ni nye but me Ghana ni de me support say ye se o mo na ye do qualify for World Cup no ye prepare team ni prepare team ni preparation ni prepare team ni for World Cup no
ba woni gidie wo
mani gidie
that's
Ghana will lose 2-0 Nigeria versus Ghana
adenti
ye team ni nye
edenti na nye
that's my blaster players number of number above I'm first level now in Kranse bi anim enti Ghana will lose 2-0
Ghana for more than one you must say come na Ghana for betimi I want share betimi ashi Nigeria be 3 club this Ghana for more than year come up this when your first time and when your second time always be anu you show mo there nti ene no your happiness we must say betimi ashi wo mo nti nsuro chire kula
ma do na mfa won say Nigeria for the be show mpanifo no mo ne esro mo amomwai nkasa chire players ni say Nigeria de ensa da wo so pa nti wo de be show mo Nigeria de be show be 3-0
yanhwe Ghana team ya wo gidie pa say dem dige mo ni say Kumasi aye ye bo ni ntimi wo gidie say e be say 3 edi enti me sha say ye call Africa Africa qualify Africa Cup ye ko ya mo modin enti sia obi ade ne ho ahye obi ade ho ahye mu say e be hye wo mo players ni wo gidie say 3 on be ro mo ni ahye wo mo that's
beginning na say Black Stars na ye ni gidie wo mu say coach no tie ne kasa wa kire say nya gidie e wo ni mu ni team nim e bi say on betimi aye adwuma no nti ye jama
nti obi e kire na adwene ai coaches no ne ade no de Ghana ye doso footballers ne doso say the main Black Stars team no ba ni nyina ye nipa nti ye be fa ne saa nti wo ma adwene kire no ye bompa ye say de nyame pe no ma ne nye ho ititu pasa be ye ho wo ye ya famu si e be di nkunim e wo Nigeria for no so bi abesa okọ cafe ya mpa by rather this year consider any with them ni eni nkunim so bi e kwa prepare afcon ni say to kan tina man ko fo didi abafo but nyame de bi anso ne ye nti ejina mo so munyire mo ho mu so nkunuma no mu tim wait no so na mu ntu amika ni so ati ase aha na me enko Kumasi Sports Stadium Baba Yara Sports Stadium ho na Sampa Sports the ultimate sports show no na ho no mo ye no de afrie ti pese wo kona de wo hu ne ekoso ho no kakra no hu Sampa ya ye ready papa nyamishira Ghana for enkabom de ye o kabom ahu se mu aye du spirit no wo soro enti me enko hwe feed ne kakra wo ho na ye ba mo enko mo bi wachi enti nyi free hakra me enko ho mra sese.
Okay, so live on Asampa 94.7. Okay, so at this point, Mami and Kanchai for said we are also live on Adom TV. We are also live on Adom TV, live from It's My Kitchen restaurant in Kumasi, and also live on Asampa 94.7. We the coverage of the World Cup qualifier game between the Black Stars of Ghana and the Super Eagles of Nigeria. And Yaba Abelande was Sekum. But yeah, the biggest sports morning show in Ghana. And every Kumasi at the Ebro. It's My Kitchen restaurant. Now we are also live on Adom TV. And Chebia, you're paying for EBDD and Komo. Now you are Diehard Supporters Union. Led by Purugucha Kapama. And then one more Etunium Ejinja, the atmosphere, hip hop support, hip hop enthusiasm for the game now. Ebasuno. Eti Kumasi there, I had NJ expectations and was so Ghana form the support no any bibia Black Stars enya bia the ma wo mo enya asem ketwa. And it's already live on Adom TV. Yeah, live ewo Osei Chrome here and ye dey dwumadie no every airba. Ni nyina no your coverage of the World Cup qualifier between Ghana and Nigeria and ye dey airba. Na ensem bebre na asi ewo game we mo. Eno e bedu ye nim say Ghana and Nigeria na no obi are prepared. And none of pay no a game day expectations no I was super. It did our supporters Munka Janum Nafi.
Spirits no was true. This a PRO mo pen omujide wo from ba PRO for no na do sha. Enti no mo yam for mo nka asam okra mo say e be she Ghana against for ngwa so ye de ha na ate we de ayi akrafo mienu bi a wo mo te obi a tokna mai ba ko ato ni die din aware bone na ba ko ato ni die din na so te ho anopa bi a aware bone na so to aware bone na so to ho sa ana aka bon krama mienu na they go see say enti mama mpenufo so akwaba for mumra Badwam dwumadie so international so say live commentary no so ya de bebra mo Asempa ne Adom enti nye fidie no free ha na watie Asempa FM ne Adom FM ne the live commentary no free Baba Yara Sports Stadium e de abro na so obetimi akọ Sports Stadium ho just wapun mo den o yare ontime nko to make us o dem pamo ontime entie mpo Tina was a more solution before you Black Stars in Nigeria. Ye de ebesheshe so Grace Gift Herbal Clinic for laboratory services. Omo abefie ha. Omo the evidence base. Omo baby omukura. Adia omo ka ho asem. Nansen dem say omo time farmer. But so far as omo de bani de che the omo ye mpeni for me makwaba.
Yeah, India.
Ayakojo Ghana ne Nigeria ye be say.
Entini se ma hefufui.
Oh wow. We Judy.
Me free hanso a. Me kofro edu pre de mempe. Na no e wo so me. Fin ya api.
Ma ya api.
Boss no.
Na o friend say.
Fin ya na ya tro.
So what I say fin ya.
Na se de ho asi aye fe no. No na be kro.
Me that's say. Obani ya o dompre ba kono awudu na me pay. Na unso e Ghana.
Se unse na efiada. Ya ufiada.
Yes.
Enti na ekofifo na efiafo.
Papa bi.
Mo fa mo tumi ne mbom. Ye hye Nigeria.
No. Erade emfa ye ni o ye ma ye wate. O de bia wo ye be ne ye ni super. Nigeria for so a word berani yekro mu de
nyame no a o Ghana ni Ghana ni o
nyame Ghana ni and I say okay the bedi san ko na chire ba ya bra ayi Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services and ne yaba bedi nkomo opani dem tane udi nkomo ba memra owura yawo ayi ho na yankasa papa ene nkomo be de yedie
ene me wo adom fie yes we di ni ye Grace Gift adom a chede efie bi wo ogura mu otim se fie na ewu fie me ba adom ha ni fie ezan se mo share se from temanyina me ne mo
nyamisha
me bi kwa me free kuma so epkura ba hakura na me di agro adom FM so te ha ni fie me ba eni je nkura mani ajepa yie de kan se nipa sa 190 achini na se wapom di unsensem nko yi a emra so se odi woni kire adom achede ye fen se Grace Gift ye de hama na ye adwuma nti mo amohwe mi sabre mo hwe mi free Cape Coast eba la Cape Coast any first tack with phone Monsieur La Paz mo fa ka se mo ba eye fen se Fish Pond and say Family Life Monsieur mo bra Grace Gift mo free Nkoko Kumase Asamanke se so mo fa ka Monsieur Old Peace FM ma 7 mo fa ka se mo ba Grace Gift ye ni Family Life dey nhwe ne mu ye de hama na ye adwuma menyi yenko nwene so ha mi kwa ye fa yi waka shikwa ntofo ne chiwo niye onyia ahu ayo shika o stroke na agba malaria na agba bie shaka oba wo hia mi ni wakobo no na hewale won gbelebo no fi sekeseke we chofan GP ni ko nu na ka yes o ya hia masu sorare Adom TV kola fiyanku mumuna aiki da maganin gargajiya ganye muka aiki da shi doshin ka tafiya malaria ko stroke da su ababu da kaka zo wani mu yaso baka magani idan muka baka ni da iko Allah zaka samu karfi ofa to asuma me na abam
timami che ayi eja kodo
en se enne eye Ghana da intimi bei ana dokuta Grace Buodu ko fare bai wo se men kan kire Adom mahwefo nyina se enne wo biribi sononko bi de ma wo mu a yade adokuru wo mu na omo ba Grace Gift ana se wo a no ma yade betu dwa na wo befere se obo yade bi dine te se majedia ebunu yade se bi tipaye ne wo ma hodo akuru bi ya mo poto a edi ne yeme denso minim ka mo frɛ no Grace utipa ne utifa ne dwaw wa hwa abukas wani yi aba saa ya de nkitenkite ne nyina Grace Gift yan fama ho esan se edom ne doso ya de wo ho edom ne doso nti so frɛ no ma no na uti na ye wo ya se wo ba akwafikyiri wa ya se na etwa wo tipaye ebunu ya de ne ho ne ma ne de utiri ye na normal ni tom na wonya dokota ena ye Ghana den wo kire waduro firi bontu ema wo ye ya de no etu ase kura na ebie won soso ema sende ohun ayefe kane no na ye biribi a ya to dine sebe bajana sitimin akosu ekuma anche ho ni twi no bajama sitimin na ye nuaduro mama ane betena so sisi ho kama mama wade so sisi no abefo nieme ko wonani mu anan so asesa nti yaye ne paala ogia na odi bi egu asa awa so me ba kure bi hye mbag me wia mekwa akoyi abrɛ
esa nka de ba evidence no de sa na ya boye
pere ne nti date ne nti e wa hayi a nti wodi gu asa awa no so na wodi akwaha
wodi akwaha
fi kasa ma ne te ase wodi gu asa awa so no aka to so na wodi akwaha na ebedura nwumere no a obesiesi ho no na ho afifita tintan de kama nti eno no Grace Gift no yenton na bontene nti de wo be ye ne se wo ba Grace Gift asopiti ho a wo de fa kwan a ye fa su kohunu dokota no se wo kohunu dokota nkrofo fe no koso pe hin fi no ho ye ndua
Wonye consultation fee.
Yenye bi ho. Nti wura doctor dem ho a na se akosua kumanche ho no na sabi wo pe bi a ene doctor ne nkasa. Oji ana hye ontuma mboko no.
Eno ne confidential.
Obi ndi okoye. Aha, sanso na mema no nso a enaye na wotwe awie se umo hu modene a ya na mere bia ye hwe untitia ye hwe ye ni achi na ebu ani chie umo sa anu na efra mu kodwo papa kofi papa enso ene ebra ye efra obi mi wura ma de ene ho ni ma ebo ne nsantana ne wodidi anato furugu ko umpe bi wonso sukura de mu ho bi sa kwan no aso esan se droso to bi ene ho awka obenyi ye durato eye asopiti prekope uwura hɔ a woni dokota no kasa upia na hye ontoma mu ukofia na efia ye de nyeni
eno ano no
ntima me fa dokota no ma no ntudwa na medi tudwa yi
bo modern so kra se dada
se ube twiro ne yiye na wo twiro na wo frɛ dokota saa yade ne hu ne ma me kan nyina wo se na ye Ghana da wo mo duro firibontu wo yonso a ho beto esanso onyanko pon na de na ba na ode na yensan kire ne sa yade akase wo wura ye o kase ye bank na ha na ye beto no
okay
na ayadefo a wadi wo manim do mo ba Grace Gefete no wo mo nyina so ho ato wo emu presenters ene etitirefo ene ne wadane dance ne no Dr. Grace no mane ne Selo 5 tele 2 Selo tele Selo 5 tele 2 Selo tele Selo eno ni Dr. Grace no ma esaye na amafo biribi no a mo frɛ no mosapo no
WhatsApp number nso
that's right utimi kura yoro ko bo boys na de aposu no
audio voice
no so yi wa no abrochefo ne de pepenti ha no mo frefa enti me ye di anu ba awiye no Grace Gefete ya de edi nkan a nyame de maame ne baaye edi hu dwuma pa ye mukuro mo frɛ no hosa ye mukuro no ni eduro no ma wan ya Dr. Hia Bodem ni no odema no na wafiri nurse mu abeya bibiduro no nti obi a osa dan no so bia no me de ma ofiri kotiti nonum de obi ani no mia me brofu mato ne dine se 5 nonum kotiti nonum na hohoro ho fagu kukuum na nuwa no puku ebebe mu ni kanika se bemu a otue na so de kora esabia mesero abibiduro anade a ehie ye mfa roba no fakura sa nefa adanchene
eno ano no eja kodwo info msi ha yada Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services for us 0246518003 our screen ase na wafre Dr. Grace Buadu eba na wone no edi enkomadanse ni bebre wo ho nti so ko na kokoje wo de na me sorry happy birthday nkoma love ya bena yeboa dwamena awo yo chechire ni wo nkokwa man from junior high school happy birthday in advance akwasi dwamena odoyo de bena da ton na ade abane nti ne yire no bena da 29th ne yire birthday ti happy birthday in advance nkoma wo miami nua ba Celestine no say abna for one for happy birthday so enko enfama yedo bia se nyame hirawo se wo share live on Facebook and YouTube nyankopon hira papa medin de afia amankwa tamaklo mi koi pensem mo ba akwesi asempa ye krado de twaso de amount ma fidie ne na ha enyim ko ba bia obasesie
abusia medin the Reverend Kwamina Aida me gidi se ye jumedeni na weni jihon ye videos ye talk shows ni jumedeni na de hia me pa ne se na be ya wasabaka ye jumedeni 24/7 wo bell no wo de point so Sabel no punches so biu na sa punches so biu o punches so 24/7 jumedeni na e share kikro na on saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to no nyame share.
to you say hallelujah hallelujah no paria anajo what do you say hallelujah and don't Jesus standing on the corner singing hallelujah amen amen Jesus standing on the corner singing hallelujah amen amen day by day I will not by night day by day night by night the soul Jesus on the corner singing hallelujah amen amen Jesus standing on the corner singing hallelujah amen oh trinis I want to bring na to be na birasi na ni mano chirese na mini ye wo desu na mini ye wo dada ofata yi awu ofata yi ye uradina ye ofata yi awumbuma yindi yenya kubonati oya fa ye odonesu na onuna ora de razu na onuna obeye anote buma yindi yenya kubonati oya fa ye odonesu na onuna ora de razu na onuna obeye oh na onuna obeye na onuna obeye na onuna obeye na onuna obeye endoti kotoje Well, I was here for Emre and it's time. The Ghana Black Stars versus the Super Green Eagles of Nigeria. Because Baba Yara Sports Stadium, we are in high spirit. So we are Ghana. This is the time. Yen Kambum, yen support the Black Star because it said definitely. Every day, and couldn't be in the Baba. Me didn't say about me. Tinemu, I'm on mine. A Kwabena Santi. I'll be for what I say. And check your better train come on. Your call for a quick commercial break. Yeah, Babaka. Good morning. Abusia, the Awushe from Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Asante Mantemo. In fact, why there? The multimedia team, indeed. Nioma Echegwe Nyomode Bre, obetimi atie live, Sempa 94.7. Mami Samo Akwaba Bio, Big Jump Pense mo, and Awushe Adom TV. We didn't question Sempa. We got fortunate in the Baba Chichin Como. It's all about the Black Stars in Konimdi and himself, Baba, the prediction that is saying, we try bet that, but me say, said the TBA. I will bet Black Stars on the winning. And I mean, say, next day, made this kappa. Boys are shit, boys are one. And then they're losing in our magic. Because me winning them, the boys are PA. Yeah, we can almost say, I'm fast in my production team, cameraman, and they OBB album, Chidoma, Jumedi, Ade Bro. Now, from the camp of the NDC, Honorable Ambrose Shea, indeed, the former DC. Upper Dentura West. What's not say honorable me wakwa bibi aboko dia.
Nya me josu bibi aboko na so e.
Na nya me ti ase ye share ya check akra.
Humfo do so aye ni nyina.
Za.
Na obo adwugu nsem a oyini mako. Na so nya me ni sem me pia. Yes.
Me ni so opposition think for the we jado.
Oh, David odomfo.
Eza.
David na nya fo do na.
Ekoye papa. Nya me ne here. I was here from the camp of the MPP, Member of Parliament, Honorable Collins Marco Mensa, a Fija Quabri, no, Honorable Miwakwa, Bibi Aboko,
Nyamiadum.
And then they said they were child Black Star.
Instructions from the speaker. Instructions from the speaker.
And then one family.
The speaker
has spoken.
Yes.
And then Most of the
MPs in Ghana Blacks. And that's a color beer,
Ghana.
To the house.
As well. And now, my Jimmy, the Fimitive Peminas, it's all about Ghana Black Star. Well, Honorable Ambrose, I'm starting fuse when a Black Star Janakono, you're going to say.
Me ba ha chenti, man 1 minute me chia, my do for kakra. Me chia me mama, me say Faustina Eza. All dun kan no fi, o hwe me sesia. And of course, my this year or up hard and share west. If I am free, could you asusu bi? I this year, when you me chia o munyina. My brother be a friend of Charles, or Diaso. Na menya nti say be say na say ni nipa boni fo bi age ni conference nsem. Nti me fa kwanya we sina me nua Charles o free mo Diaso. Na busuafo ne yire ne manyina ya mo munyina ya akọ. Na ya bompa say osoro ni asase yefo. Omo are chichire. Na omo nto so e wa Badwam. The last 5 matches are Ghana and Nigeria, but Nigeria winning back up. The last time Nigeria share Ghana no 2006. Yeah. Brian Cole Nations Cup no Egypt. So because that game no share one. Sure. That time no na young golden generation no because even appear na omo aneka ho omo ehase no pick it up. From that time Nigeria team share bio in any competitive match. Obeka ya call London Cobo friendly match 2011 no. You bought 0-0 or home. And 2010 Nations Cup for Angola, no Kai Asamoah header. Koja someone a ball, corner kick no Asamoah header semi-final. You could pay mu or final sa Egypt Esha wana omoje cup. And 2008 of course, you know say Yesha omo 2-1. Baba Yara Sports Stadium. 2007 so immediately after 2006 you call Egypt no. Yesha omo 4-0 over London. Sure. This is the last 6 encounters between Ghana and Nigeria. Yeah. And young Maya about football more. I was on my holiday, 8 million. Se bi anko metimi aben ni a na bia abobi na chi abobi are. Yes ha dia nka nyo mo afefo kra na o football mu. Enti ye bon pa se sa victory se ayenya ne de keka ho no. Ene sa sunsun be di ye mrante na chi amankunim de yetimi aye dia. De me sra ni se otoado be na adwuma yi. Mpese me gidi se mpanyimfo nim so betimi na adwuma yi ntina ye de ne gu nsane ani a ye de no aba. Or more tactics one advantage, to be very sincere, Nigeria for over us the more attacking front line. So more parody 4-4-3 sharp. Very very sharp. More parody 4-4-3 formation. You would expect say any one be sharp. Na trouble kakra me buy so. It means I say wing backs in omo aka no timi adwuma yi. Minya hu selection na otoado de bebo. But we must do well not to concede the first goal. Ma hwe ball bibiri wo Kumasi Sports Stadium. Anytime we concede first goal and we are unable to recover, I am pressure no eso. And I'm hoping say Thomas Partey maybe Baba Idris ni omo aka beat me hold me field am I ayere no pampe say comfort am no mo aye den na Bobby antimi enwrem ama me haye me sure say ye defend ye na yenya kukudo ye she game na see ya ade nkunimdie betimi aye dia. I don't expect Jojo Wolacott to say no better go amai.
You don't expect?
I don't expect. Francophonie okay ya. Waba I was say yemanu jinamna odago mai. Your last nation cap me say Jojo Wolacott or ye shaky kakra. Of course we odago my team like Swindon Town. Third division team wo UK.
Yeah.
The confidence level no ayana akakakra. But all in all no me expect say Otuado nim penfo e kan ho nyina no. Betimi aye adwumade ama yenya a respect and I underline that a respectable score line. You betimi dey call Nigeria, betimi me a qualify. Obeka last time I ne your friend say Egypt ball Kumasi 2013 one. Your confidence course ro bra say go. So you had an early goal from Asamoah. And from then on we built and got 6. It means we qualified here even before we got to Egypt. This time we must aim at something like that, even if not by the wildest score line. 2-0, 3-1 or something like that.
I know your prediction.
I'm sure, yes, we are able to do something.
2-0 and not 3-1.
Then I enter Ghana, then I enter Blasters. Now against all us, no. Yes, something could be back.
No, but can you, because me bet 2-0 and not 3-1.
Between 2-0 and 3-1, each one of them can happen.
There he now will be for.
Emubia.
You say.
Emubia.
Bet.
No. What do you mean bet? 2-0 or 3-1. Okay, Yemfa 2-0.
Yemfa 2-0.
Yes.
Okay.
Yemfa 2-0.
And the 2-0, the big bet 2-0.
Yemfa 2-0.
Honorable Ambrose Amwa, former DC Upper Dentra West, and I think in Canada. Remember, Honorable Collins Admako Mensa. So Honorable, and age Nakono.
Then they can be share. Yes, yes. And what they say, no,
oh, are they? As they share Kumasi.
We share a sports minister of parliament.
Okay.
Now, I say, boss, me make a kata. It's a point beer.
Who they can catch them?
Catch the same delegation. They can be. It's in the point beer of the first one. The baby in the match, no, on your mommy. Also, assure me, say. First of all, Adebakwa Meniaji, the excitement in town.
Okay.
Watch Ghana for the past 1 year now. Spirits no Ghana for Bobo.
Especially after AFCON. No?
Yes. But for the past 2-3 days, tickets crowd will be planes. All the planes are booked.
Yeah.
VIP. Of course, Nigerians were. It means say transport. No, they are doing a lot of good business. This weekend, they say hotels in Kumasi will do some good business. The tourism sector. I'm excited about the feeling the Ukrum. That is very important. And I TBB also sometimes Ghana bebo but yes so buying for this year the my yes. Fortunately, no. Thankfully, the young who say buying any complaints from any of the GFE quarters.
Okay.
Said they say buying on it tells me, say, at least for this particular, Abain has attached a lot of importance to it. And, more preparation maybe have gone well. Of course, you're a little bit concerned about a mere to prepare. But of course, players foreign-based players, most of them are more leagues. And there's a league, But by and large, I expect Ghana should get 2 goals. 2 goals. I say it to me.
Also 2 no.
Yeah, I say it to me. Call Nigeria with some comfortable lead.
Wow.
Very, very comfortable one because don't forget Nigeria for some person World Cup. They also want to go to the World Cup. And Tuesday you call on say a very, very comfortable a year. You call me high. My pressure power. But I expect say it seems that the quality of the players you also see it's quite better than the one we had at the core African Cup.
Okay.
It gives me some comfort.
Wow.
Now, me share motivation in our company there. 2-0, 3-0 should be okay for
wow.
I expect an upset. On say North Macedonia.
Yeah.
Italy.
Yeah.
For the second time in succession, Italy qualify for the World Cup. And yet they are 4 times winners of the World Cup. I just say upset. Surprises our game.
Okay.
So again we underdogs. It's time we players in Nigeria for team no players, teams or more underdogs.
Okay.
But I'm hoping against hope.
But also, bomb match without the likes of the DIU, obviously, on Kahumbi. Don't you think that is going to affect us?
No, and right now the day Okumase. The day I had, Nyamisha did. wabadan wa one ne nuanom no edi nkomo a wo hye omu nkran ade ba kwa yintimi emfam free dede ho ni se oye nipa bi a otimi hye nkran ada ankoye na ankoye but obi otimi hye nkran na ahwe obi a obo blaster ne first match against Benin in 2007 our experience
okay
enti omo bi mpo no ho no be hye team no nkran a me ogidi mapa se Thomas Partey over the past 2 months and a very good season with Arsenal the form no be transform into some good activity in midfield for us into how encourage you and amazing thing is former players in nyina bebre no akumase as I speak omudin kran shebe my boys no first 20 minutes yenya botrema boys no sometimes people akumase na first 20 minutes go ma ya na ona nkoko mu popo but I pray say ebenya botrema boys
and the pressure need
on the game no my game and I hope you say pitch no be boy yenja ya mo Cape Coast and say na pitch na nye ka fa approve pitch na akumase no yeah, I say about first half na we net said it na.
Oh, okay.
Na yetimi anya game papa na nkunu bi dey about am.
Arab Collins, Odwen without the day in the game.
Well, the day is an experienced player. You nyano wo mankeye. But I don't think say be higher too much.
Wow.
Obekuma said the no amehwe TV so ni ade no motivate and colleagues. Very good sign. Said they can me a lot of the old players also omunye trip to Kumasi. It tells you how important this game is to the nation. A lot of even members of parliament are more prepared to move to Kumasi this afternoon. You know, Ghana is not Taumachi. We just want them to know, say, Taumachi. We are with them, they support you more. No, I mean, a message from the ministry on behalf of government.
Yeah.
More, motivate you more. So the president and the entire nation, you know, solidly behind them. We say, football the excitement in town. Yeah. And you know. The best room. We want to go to the World Cup. Made them a minister.
Yeah. Well, I was just saying, I join a high Adom TV in Pensemo. I'm just for Casa. The other can say, when Maleko,
you man down this.
Hallelujah. And as well, Adom TV, well, but here come when you know, the finance minister Kasai. I don't want Keno for Riata, full on the Dasoto, and Ra or Kasari, me qua probo, Chrome Kakra number some analysis into me call Legon Botanical Garden, the Shell filling station, and Goyle or Eco beside. First, it was Shell, maybe so almost say per liter petrol, saying almost say 9 cedi. 70 pesos. And I'm saying, wow. Now, 9 cedi 70 pesos, you know, before I would be the price of a gallon of fuel, I just want to multiply by 4.5. And to multiply, and not just a fuel gallon barco, 43 cedis, 65 pesos. Asat, then, from the 1st of April, so by 15 pesos. Now, your calculation, you know. So, 9 cedi 70 by 4.5. Am I 43 cedi 65 pesos? 1st April, so by 15 pesos. Let's just say 43 cedis 50 pesos. And you be say, well, fuel on no. Beboy, same year, Befano, Honorable Ambrose, Mammy found here. So this is the analysis. Simple. To the ordinary Ghanaian said they were tears here. Audience measures are by the Abbey, a beboy.
Senior American, me bomb pie say Ghana be and yes, MPP Abambe catcher say Ukraine invasion, Russia co invade Ukraine tina enti me wini. And yes, one beka say Russia ko invade Ukraine ti Black Stars and win. Nti na kan o say Black Stars win. And the bibia share COVID-19 and the akos wo Ukraine. Me come in sem na wi no me chere tie fo ni ahwefo. Say Ukraine and Russia and COVID-19. Ahokyere abaye so ene ama your friend say ekura konum okra nufu no. Na akufo ado ne ba omia. Kanoforiata. Omomode mo incompetence and the ahokyere pa na ode abaye so. Akufo ado ne ba omia aban. Aban abaga na nyina de wodi eno toto ho ne aban enya ebon kankan kra. Omomode mo nso ani. Ohwe sika twitwiri die pa na resources aba omo nsem. Ene de Ghana asi ni trase aba bedu a oman etwa agyajo a asempa na ya de a atete a ha adwene. Me de enura na nu se komodi a kanofori ata ne Ghana fo ba bedie no. Emfa bibi papa bi a mre yen. Na mre wo mu a ebe kire de nti a emfa bibi papa bi a mre yen. Nti ne ya kan se cosmetic krokro de John adankonda da adwe. Enura o ka kire se boss margin ya 2% no we ye free fa ngone bo ne so na de friend UPPF eno so ye 9%, eno so wo se we ye free ho na de friend fuel marking margin eno so ye 1%, wo se we ye free every liter so na primary distribution margin eno so ye 3% on a liter eno so wo se we ye free ho o kan ni nyina abomu a ye 15%. Asempa ne 15% ye de to den organa na kufa de ni ba mi aban de ne de 15% eto
etumi ye bibio
kira me de etimi ye
15%. Etumi ye bibi
ene uko kumasi a taxi drivers ni trotro drivers omo free fuel eye adwuma wie ansa na omo akotua because omo ntimi ento minu se minu enya kwanya so kasa obeka Russia ni Ukraine obeka COVID-19 say enu nti na de ye hu nyina aye de ye hu. But could you imagine say 15% a omo ka kire say o ma ye free fa anwo ne bo no so eye sika anyi sika ekọ aban ho nti aban enlusu hwe ni nyina ye boss margins nti se yi sika ni free boss margins wa boss for sika na ye free so enye aban sika nti aban de on fa bibia anche ye wo fa anwo so ade aho kire bebre aban anase se ebe ha aban wo kwan bia so nti na me ka kire say de ekọ so nra no ade a ntimi mfa hwe emre ntitiru ebafu anu de no because
but I was so bad the fact is so much me negotiate with Boston ya de na at the end of the day boss ya ban adwuma
boss don't make that mistake boss a limited liability company
exactly but
it is not your typical state owned enterprise
but at the end of the day
you can't hold brief. You can't hold brief.
Appoint the CEO.
You are unable to hold brief for government
but
on this because boss
CEO
runs his own balance sheet. Boss, fact. No, I'm talking about profitability. It's not about appointment. No, it's not about appointment. It's about the fact that let me make my point. Energy debt recovery levy. And here 49% on petrol and diesel. That's all.
Yeah.
Road fund levy 48%. Abaya nyehwe. Price stabilization and recovery levy. And here 16% on petrol, 14% on diesel, and 14% on LGBT. Abaya nyehwe. Energy sector levy. And here 20% on petrol and diesel. Abaya nyehwe. Enti a raft of taxes are. Ni nyina egu fa ngo bo so a. Abaya twa abaya ho vechire no amfa ne sanka.
Nti now expect say nka on titi we mo so de obobo so no. E ho na nka on twin fee.
This year fan bo akosoro 57%. Oya de enra aban yi free so a 1.6%.
Yeah.
Ana meboa ka kire me. Say fan bo kosoro saa 57%. Na aban be reduction no 1.6% ah. Say aban cons wo gina gwanti ahwa. You see, I'm saying all this within the context of Enyoma Akufo-Addo ni ba me ka kire e bra no mu petumi. Me are very very much interested with politics here in Ghana. And some man na Akufo-Addo ni ba me ka kire ye no. Eno ni de ye fapimankofo hwe ho to aba ma wo mo 2016. Mo mbedi wo men so. Eno na broni friend social contract. Me hwe sense se bia be ba social contract no. Na do ka kire so on de oba betete fu obo so. Ba me ka bebre ka ho sa hakura de ye hia besia bo ni mu nsem bebre. Enye de om kan na enye no na ye hu. Memo bia me ka external factors and we will discuss it because o ka de asie wo aman ahodo mu ni aman ahodo mu a bra na o man panyini John Dramani ma ma ye man panyini no o man yi kwa ahoyehia mu a na ka ne o ma bi afiri abonten a asintra hwe fa ngo ne bo no a yentimi nto ade ahokere abrega na fo ni nyina no eto a wo so nko an ne ye wo hanchiche mu aduanan S pump price wo do ka akogina filling station na ubu fa ngo ne gumu a S pump dia wo ton wo ho no fa ngo abeto ne bo no aban to e da so nko an no ye wo hanchiche mu aduanan 40%. Edoson pa pa. And obviously the aban ye fa ngo bo ho ne ho keka ho no sabe me sure say we twi car.
Oh yeah.
Me brother ono so otwi tiase nam. Me anso me twi tiase nam. Ana ye ne wa ha bebre me nya sure say that the ponko ne de nam. Ye de tiase nam ne nam your friend is asempa. And clearly Nana Akufo-Addo aban only Ghana fo ni ye. Won ha no kran kire Ghana fo. Obi be kan say o de akoso wo Ukraine tra. Fa ngo bo hyase ye den ansa na Ukraine to ko ebisi. And then 25th March.
But I bet
24th February. And Russia invaded Ukraine. Even before that. Na fa ngo bo e kosoro. E shemu kena wa hin. Enra me check na fa ngo adaka no anase ankore no ba ko no. Eye America sika no wa ha ni aduonu $120 per bar. So wa check ya. Ade ye fa ngo ne enso ye nton bi. So where is the cross-cutting effect? Enti yenye oman a chese chinchina afa ngo ni yen ton bi. Se fa ngo bo ye dina, yenso ye oman a yenso ye ton bi. Me say the oman panyi John Dramani ma aban, ndisi aban. Eko mu 2014 2015. Akufo-Addo aban wonko bi mu efa fa ngo ho nsem mu. Hwe 2014 2015. Fa ngo bo wiase dwaso no ba fomwa ba se ankre no na ba ko na ye ton no $45 per bar. And until no ras at special petroleum levy no e buy. Send a bear to na das one. Ye de be boy ho wa ho him. Special petroleum levy aban we buy when ye mfiri ho. Enso Akufo-Addo ka kire say e nuisance tax e to a ho hia. E to a ensem fata. But
you recall NDC time, I mean deregulation, yes, a buy, and we're expecting say a buffer more, fuel better. But even at your time, fuel buffer, but yes, still you go to the pump and as soon as I.
But I'm so gonna vote in say brand is free power, not fuel, no, not 1 gallon, 14 cedis.
No, yes.
A tour do an was one. And if you want to, a tour do an was one, now near 40%. We did an average of 25%. You can go and check.
That was then.
Mibo, that was then, yes. So 25 ni 40, they're here and there. And I mean, can't
you don't expect, no, honorable Nyabuche, you don't expect to say from 2016 by Pim Samri still, and your mass should stabilize. I mean, and your mass there are a lot of factors.
Debbie, sure say make say, you know. Makasa and your menina, exactly. Obi a hwehwe mbia no menya so na dwene kire ne say dia making me count on the basis say Akufo-Addo ka so ba petrol as atam ne board no betete so. That is the premise of my argument.
We say at the time no opposition. Now
Obi a no atena aban mu da aye attorney general aye foreign affairs minister da.
No nye president here.
There be no watena cabinet da. Wonye obi asabi wo ye fratam ni. Wonim amamu mu nsem no kasa asa na na me ka. Who's no young mayor man penny? The man may man penny and son, I am from so. As ambassador, I'll catch me on pay a deal for him.
No, near president that.
You can't hold brief for him. That's the point I'm making.
I'm not holding brief, but the fact
you cannot hold brief.
You are still holding all other things constant.
I'm not holding anything
in 2016.
I'm saying the quantum of increases. I have too much. Let me have two specific examples.
Okay.
Esla levy no another farm also. MPP forecast say a nuisance tax on bar on be free. On the 20 pesos account, they say 40 pesos. Essentially, a new tax on the account. And this is time anyhow. Price stabilization levy, and also by 2015. And took kind of the Energy Sector Levies Act 899. A trade the price stabilization levy no any. Menuka say about 400 million Ghana cedis wo mu a. Ya kwa hwehwe mu ofa an obu mi nka wasa aban timi de so yasene. Akufo-Addo aban wo de ade. Wo de afu plane ni se wa bro ni adware wo wiem. Wa waste sika no kwa. And the point of the matter is this. No, but the fact of the matter is you have to have the fact. No, but you have to have. You can't say this. You can't say that. No. But you can't say that.
So you hold on. Thank you.
Blaster
but we're taking reservation on the comment.
Oh, he has. Say that. Let me make a point.
You can't say that.
He has every right. He has every right to express a reservation about the point I make.
Yes.
But I will not retract that.
Why?
Now, I have not seen anybody controversial.
No, but they
say there's a Wabroni and Obia Meyano. Let anybody come and controversy.
That's somebody's allegation. You are making an emphatic statement.
I am assuming regularity.
Honorable. Would you withdraw?
No, I will not withdraw.
Okay, thank you.
So the point of the matter is this: that Akufo-Addo knew be a wababe boye. Any hunsensemu. Price stabilization levy and American send a sunset clause. Now a sunset clause of 2 years. The next year is a time money levy about 2015. 2017 I will say a free ho. Bra some man for everything or parliament. No work I say no so mobile be year free when a nuisance tax. And that's what home power or more extending a 10-1. And the American say Nana Akufo-Addo ni ba o mi amban.
E ho na o di sia ma me.
Miye. The omo ka se o mbe ye no. Eni ana mom ka se o mbe tu. Enya de o metumi ayi bibia fa ho. The omo ye nyina no de ahokere abre Ganafo e wo fa won sensemu ni bo ni ho nkeka ho sensemu. So I say me can the rest of the issues are finance minister kan ya. Let me move on quickly.
No, you
want us to come to that. So we say see so essentially the point I'm making is that 15 pesos.
Insignificant.
Emwa na nya de be boa Ganafo wo kan bia so.
Mate me that say. I'm sure for Honorable Ambrose Amoa Eshia, a former DC Upper Denture West and Altin in Canada. I call Honorable Collins Adma Kumensa, a Fija Quabrain of Honorable Mamen Browse indeed. What's your counterparts? What say reduction in nya de be boa Ganafo.
Well, obi onim me bia nim my style of politics.
Yeah.
Me baha most of the time.
Sure.
Maybe share other panelists.
Yeah.
Politics for me is about decency.
Okay.
Now, oba platform, you should say, enye rally ground. Now, Simbia or cancer. I mean, you're on set.
Yeah.
Say Sika and the president that go playing. They say what Brunia Kotsnem. I mean, very, very pedestrian.
But I don't remember Assad now.
Me pacho.
Before I bet to us.
Me pacho on this platform.
Yes.
This is a very, very important platform.
Yes, but Assad now.
You don't make just any statement. Say what will be on Facebook.
Assad
we don't do that.
As a government, there's been allegation
I don't think
against the president.
Government has to respond. Government has to respond to any allegation.
Yes, but the point is,
I don't want to move to that level.
Denting the image of the president.
I do not want to.
We expect to say Mbabe.
I do not want to move to that level.
So you just want anybody.
There are so many rumors about His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I can't come here and just say it.
You just want anybody to rise up on social media.
I'm
or
saying,
president,
let us uplift the argument.
So come out and tell Ghanaians the fact.
No, let us uplift the argument.
Tell Ghanaians the fact about Sewa Broni.
Let us uplift the argument.
So
this thing about Sewa Broni, so pedestrian.
So you see,
when you see no matter we are the assembly to Facebook about His Excellency John Mahama.
When you don't respond, you give people room to speculate.
My brother, it is.
Let's
stick to the issues.
No. There's Sewa Broni even in question. We don't know her.
No.
Okay, to us.
No, it's so pedestrian. It's so below the belt. It's totally unnecessary.
No problem.
And we shouldn't drag this particular programming. It's a very important platform to this kind of level. So we're starting up Sewa Broni. Not my bahama say Excellency John Mahama and again. What kind of funny jokes are this? We have a country to run, very serious country to run. They're very careful about it. This is a very serious platform.
Thank you.
Number two, he talks about promises and there was social contract.
Yeah.
And the fact that you buy a to Pedro, so you have to you will come in Ahoy on my blackboard. Atamos is excellent, the late. What can we say now? The cabinet minister, he was the vice president. He told us all about Beto Petrum.
Yeah.
Cumulatively, movie. And what happened?
Yeah.
What happened? Does that make Atamos the worst leader ever? What kind of argument is this? What about catches of my one-time premium? You bet your NHI Was not a social contract.
And
then nobody could win the election. What happened? Did they fulfill it? Does that make his excellent job, Mama, the West leader? I mean, this kind of argument, and sometimes, very no time, and as Kumasi, driver for Kumasi could free petrol. Show me, give me evidence of a taxi driver who Kumasi could free petrol. Then you come on this platform, then you just say it. Then you just say, there you go. Show me, tell me a driver. I wouldn't even know I could free petrol. Show me. What kind of argument are this? And every day, Baumia, keep on insulting Baumia, Nana Baumia, and Omeria. I mean, this kind of a unity, you have to change. Open make it comment, Diana. Now he comes again and says, yep, you come again and say, boy, boy. And we have been very nationalistic. Or say, I'm buying by because you lose because Ukraine in the What kind of pedestrian argument is this? Say, I buy boy, you lose, I buy because Ukraine in the I mean, what kind of is this? Anybody who tells you, say, the current economic problems, and I say even world oil prices has not been affected by the Ukraine-Russia war, will be disingenuous. The first day Russia attacked Ukraine, petrol shot above $100. There are two main things that culminate into the price of exchange rates, world market prices. It is about now catch yourself what is happening all over the world. It is happening now, but now I can say, and you want into a problem about. I mean, now buying to me can say, we have a problem, but it is part of it. Nobody can say that.
But honorable, you see, you know all these things, uncertainties. Yet you were over promising. Ghanaians say when I come out.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, about 2015.
Yeah.
Nobody, no forecaster could have thought that there would be something called COVID. Nobody. One debate me. Who would have known? Nobody would have known that there would be COVID.
I'm saying what the throw away so you know.
Who would have known?
Mama me pen wine now.
Who would have known? Yeah. Who would have known that Russia would attack Ukraine? Which economic wizard would have known? So all those promises were not based on the fact that there's going to be something like this. I bind there's world economic crisis. Petrol prices are going up. I bind in the interim, yenye bibi a bit me cushion the citizenry. At the cabinet retreat, President instructed the minister meet with stakeholders. How you make tweak some of the things. Yesterday, a minister about me make a statement. There's a very important aspect of it. You forget it. We should figure now about this 15 pesos as a somehow.
Yeah.
And near margins. Now go to OMCs for us more margins. Ladies and gentlemen, the MPA article paragraph 28. The MPA is in discussion with the OMCs to reduce their margins within the spirit of a burden sharing, which means that it is possible by 1st April. And not just the 15%.
That is, it is possible.
It is possible because they're discussing with them.
Once negotiations end,
yes,
you cannot be emphatic.
I've not been emphatic. Yes, I'm just saying that by 1st April, it is even possible. Say 15% will not be the only reduction.
Anticipation.
Yes, because
the finance minister they are betuja. So but that is what we can go by.
Oh, I'm saying that the finance minister is also saying that the MPA is in discussion with the OMCs for further reduction in their margins. So it is even possible, say, by the 1st of April, 15% no crowd the cost. Let's hope for the best. Fortunately for us, Bank of Ghana for starting or more pumping dollars into the system. And we say the dollar has been stable for the past 2-3 days. If it continues that way, and the oil world market price now starts to say airdrop. If it continues that way, we won't say the next window we can have a reduction.
But the 2 billion more pumping is just a short-term measure, and medium and long-term.
That's why every EBI was short-term, you medium, because at this particular moment, we are in a certain situation. Or by being say, let's look at the long-term effect. No, let's look at the immediate one, cushion the people. Then from there we can move on. This is not the first time Bank of Ghana has been pumping money into the system. During the NDC time, one can say that Bank of Ghana. They were all measures that they used to show up the city. It happened.
Honorable, you come for a quick commercial break. You're back at my time. Honorable Collins, a member of parliament, a Fija Kwabrain of constituency. A quick commercial break. I don't pense Moyaba. The Ghana Black Stars versus the Super Green Eagles of Nigeria. And then you share so Babaya Sports Stadium. Action in Ejina Asempa 94.7. The multimedia sports team on Munina Ewo Hosisi and do affiliate to Amebakaba. Adom TV Badwam person. Medini kwesi Asempa. Me tire mama on my ene kwabna santi. Ochina so ye jinem ewo ebuakwa. Ehona finally Jefanko MD ye penetra bre ye penecrabre in fact enye easy ye mebusuafo nyina yako ne yebekọ akoka ho now before I go for quick commercial break now Honorable Collins who now kasa indeed about the fuel margins and the 15% reduction and what it means for the ordinary Ghanaian.
Yes, moving forward no it might not be enough the figure no but even to government no who share for the whole year the amount of liters you're consuming any 15% say a year to so it's well into the billions. Into no message Ghana for we are in a situation buying percent of no cushion the system kakra. They say discussions ongoing between MP and the OMCs. So there be almost some more margins no. At least at this particular moment no burden sharing. AB and not discussion no because we say almost some more margins no crown some better so. What that will mean is say from the 1st of April it is likely say a bit more than the 15% now. Yeah, announcing. Again, we said the mechanic, when we said the city no is beginning to stabilize kakra. That is a good point. Say twaso sa coupled with the fact say world market prices no are starting to falling. It is likely say in the next window no, the price adjustment window no, we are going to experience some reduction. But of course, let me say me as a member of parliament, me Tommy petrol. It's when I go to the pump, I feel it. Yeah. It's in person be able say I buy so feel it the way the ordinary people also feel.
Okay, right.
Me also a member of parliament, but don't want petrol. A big man. Board Ben also. We need board be also.
Kwasem.
So that board so no so anyway we bre no. Nti onya ordinary to say. Want to say Frank here we how I rest.
But no, you moving on.
Okay, so no, let me make this point.
Just a quick one. 60 seconds.
So the point I'm making is this Russia excuse ni COVID no. Government communicators omunya because and can crunch.
No, but it's a fact.
No. It can never. No, listen. No.
No, COVID by another.
You are engaging me in another argument.
Yeah, but the point is
that. That is my view. I disagree. Let me say it. Don't say that's not a fact. Why?
COVID.
And I'm saying this. Joan Laporte. So you Joan Laporte. Only World Bank president of Ghana. Wakacha say even before COVID. Na aban we washa say accumulate arrears dada. Na aban we si kasem na eko form dada. You can Google and see.
Okay.
For 3 consecutive years, World Bank ni IMF a classify o man we say a debt distress. Ya your man a ka adokoro ye ni a ye gi ho kro a enye. Sometimes now Russia na onko to share Ukraine so. This is the point I am making.
Okay.
Me a student of international relations.
Yeah.
I appreciate the geopolitics of the world. But you can't ascribe unnecessary connections to issues that don't relate.
No. When you say
even
unnecessary,
though they may have remote effect.
When you say unnecessary, honorable, when you say unnecessary, facts are sacred.
May say
Russia-Ukraine war.
May say
COVID so war.
Let me make this
so
point.
You can't say it's unnecessary.
You are not being fair. Let me make this point.
Yeah.
I am making an academic point.
The unnecessary now you see here.
I'm sorry, I take that.
Thank
one
you,
out.
Sir.
The point of the matter is this: Russia got Ukraine so. Every day, Russia produces 3 million barrels of oil, and the supply about marketing a can. But yani a year can yes, we are a net exporter of oil. And the oil boy cosra yen so a boy yen. Some fast one are buying their year day.
Okay,
this is my point. So I say now, I no okay or say and you know say we be a top petrol now go free. Nansen Joy FM living standard service aya moye anopano. Opa honorable pa onko busem. One ba kwa omoye no. Taxi drivers ni trotro drivers e Kumasi. Ko free food ani adwuma wi ansa ne akwa kotua.
Okay.
And if we anti cement boy ni iron rod boy.
Just a quick one because Yemfa we nkosi. Now feed the 30th of March 3 members of parliament Honorable Kuyeto Ablakwa, my own MP Honorable Agboja Govings, member of parliament Adaklu. And the Honorable Kwablamenta Kando. Yeah, that's my constituency.
Oh, I never knew.
Yeah, that's my constituency.
Oh,
so, okay. Governs, I am an MP.
I'm because if you do here.
When
you say Ododo, because I.
I don't do for me to say.
So I'm a fine boys.
Ah, now that could for you to say.
Oh, that mom say a fine boy.
I don't call it. That's more kind.
And no about
let's move on.
This picketing from the 30th will be because it's unnecessary because fallout from Pediasino. Abansi will be easy. COVID-19 restrictions.
That's right.
On chairman in Brazil, why the picketing?
Who say you're necessary? Then the man will say, "Obi ti say be okuje to ablakwa." Me aminu ya Kwame Abuja. O ye MP prekope.
Yeah.
Ani mpanyimfo e ka ho no, omo nim sa ade enye no obi to anamo a ombeye. I mean, let's credit them with some modicum of we say as MPs. Frontier Health Services. So omo no omo wo airport ho na omo ye test no meboa. A Nigerian company. No omo ye PCR test. Ema akwantufo a aircon ni eba meboa. In most of the countries around the world, they have relaxed these issues relative to test here or more than okay. For bar, I want you a woman and no $2 in the to sana mono. Sometimes you joke and sana a jawa mawaba, a Zimbabwe. Nancy Australia, or my review or COVID-19 protocols on various airport. For inbound nefrata echo you know.
What you are saying is
but the point I'm making is
necessary.
Yeah, necessary. Sad you can say ba because you
obe join you.
Oh, me join you.
Thank you.
Buy no. Buy $160 million.
Me that say honorable.
Every month by no you good
first of all, Frontier Health a Nigerian company.
Okay, thank
it's a wholly owned Ghanaian company. Maybe the investors or the shareholders maybe have some Nigerian connection, but it is a wholly. Just take your time. Let's say we know about boss here. You know, we see there's a limited liability company, but now you are talking about say Nigeria. It's a wholly owned. The million mo yena. Why on say politics no? Okuje to the head. He like this populism.
That's not fair. You see,
but of course, no, but
cabinet retreat. Yeah. Cabinet retreat ni by no say there might be easy restrictions, including the million of they anticipate say this is what is going to happen. It is say abai ba na banka so ye free open and then you go pick it here nka abai ye free. I mean we all know this kind of
of course the Ghana Black Stars yeah they sorry so boba 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 yeah boba yeah boba yeah boba 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 I won't call it. You gotta dance on me. I want damn bruise. I want damn bruise. You come and dance on me. Well, I'm saying for you, better must be brave. I don't be young person. Me didn't question sempa. I'm in fast that my bigger for me. Today, more my honey. Kwabena Sante. Cheers to victory. Ghana Black Star definitely will win. Good morning. Enjoy your day.